Abudi suni glandi manda bukani galuno bodani manda boy. Yabudi suni glandi manda nawi de kotokutu. Mama kuna wite yala yala madi kendi boja kanali. Babagu wi boja kanali.
Said the watcher. I see you. And Benjamin McAfee. I see you, Kingsley. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. How are we all doing today? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Please, as you're joining me, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel.
So, Tosania. Tosalan Mozia.
Okolo deluli delumali. Obogundi bo yakanali. Mazinandi kaloi. Abu manibi neme wande muno malogamoi. Di chulungari di chulubrai. Di puluwasi no gadi di bomunu zemoso matete. Di puluwasi na mebwade mebundi boga musimili kwewelu ndugi mwai. Weponya boku abulo kwekulu mwai. Ibo kudolugi wanda boy kredo wani kudolugi oi. Makani mana kudele sene nuwa wanda munese getili.
So
Gidi wanda munokwa nugweze kantu kanali. Mbamba kana balaku oi. Gidi wage mabana wanda munenuwa wanda muwe swanya ni. Namuna beluga gondo na risike.
Firstborn, I see you. Jerry Okonkwo, you are welcome. Obina, I see you. Christopher, Uguemeka, I see you. Uguemeka Ezichukwu. Chukwemeka Ezichukwu. I see you. Firstborn says USB government for life. I see you, my brother. Please like the video, click on like button. Click on like button. Very, very important.
Isi chukwu anyị na-arịọ gị kinye ya ogologo ndụ
ogologo ndụ ka anyị na-ayọ, anyị na-ayọ gị. Onye nwe anyị na-ayọ gị ka inye ya ogologo ndụ ka anyị na-ayọ, anyị na-ayọ gị. Onye nwe anyị na-ayọ gị ka inye ya ogologo ndụ ka anyị na-ayọ.
All right, so my people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. How are we all doing today? This evening we are going to go through this video of this our brother Darlington. Many of you know him, unless if you just maybe if you are new, you're not conversant with what happened in the past and all that. You may not know him, but some of us know him. Some people actually know him as Osoji. This is the guy that don't say anything with that. He always want to use Osoji to swear. That's why people nickname him to Osoji. Now, I want you to like the video, give the video a thumbs up. No matter the group you belong, no matter who you think that is your leader, no matter what you believe, we all have the same problem. Whether you are in DOS, whether you are obedient, whether you are in USB, whether you are okay, fall back, whether you are in the other group, fall deep, whether you are neutral or whatever, it doesn't really matter. As long as you are from Igbo land, Igbo Biafra, we share similar, in fact, the same quality, the same character somehow. We always have division, always have separation among ourselves, and that has become a norm. Like it is not something that is new. Despite that, the DOS team up to attack Mazi Simon Ekpa, labeled him all manner of names, tried all they could to make sure that they destroy the plan. Even though Mazi Mekano is the one that actually welcomed him and appreciate his good work, the way he analyzed videos and talk about the welfare of our people and what is going on in Nigeria as a country and all that. Mazi Mekano said that if I myself alone are saying it, people will think this guy that he is mad. But seeing people like PM talking about it is a good thing, sign of appreciation and kind of approval given to PM by Mazi Mekano. All the DOS then, they were there doing their own broadcasts and doing what Ulyss BP and Kiru are doing now for Ogenkere. People that believe that what they call media team to them is just open a platform. I will give you content, I will give you title, go and say it, go and talk. Nothing more. And most of them are all on salary base, receiving data, receiving money and all that. The same thing Ogenkere is doing today. What I'm trying to tell you is that they are now after PM, after they succeeded in making sure that PM is being reported and being taken away, they are having problems among themselves. And that problem they're having is the reason why Mazi Mekano said, yes, I formed DOS. Yes, I formed IPOB. Yes, I am the one that said this or said that. But now, give PM Simon Ekpa a slot. A slot doesn't mean let him take charge of Radio Biafra. No. But let him be, part and parcel of what is going on. Thinking that people that surround him actually mean good. Little did he know that if all of them have their own personal interests, which have been the main problem since day one, personal interest. No matter how you want to pretend that it doesn't exist, my dear, we all can see it. It exists without any shaking. So they're having a problem among themselves. Serious one. This video we are about to listen to is a very lengthy, very, very long one. We can't finish it. I think this is almost 3 or 4 hours. But let us start from the basic, from the beginning of the whole thing, where he started talking about the saga, and they recruited people to do saga, and they are now using that method to attack themselves, which is very, very bad. So I won't say much. We are gonna hear that. And what happened after Ikonso, after the buy Ikonso, everything is in this video. In terms of, so if you are watching this live broadcast live, I can tell you to consider yourself as lucky. The reason is because there are some things that you don't know. Do you understand? Because many of us, even me, we don't pay much attention to what is going on in their hideout. No, that one is not fallback. Their own is what David said that they chose to do after that, is it? Underground, yeah. That they are, I think, underground, right? Because fallback have actually occupied my memory. Their own is underground. They have to go underground, working with politicians in the political solution. Okay. What else you can say? Grab the popcorn. Honestly, I can tell you to grab it, because somehow you refresh your memory. Like my image. I have not finished watching it, but I have watched some minutes. The story will be here. In terms of the allegation they laid on him, I'm not here to justify him because I don't know him. But he's not my enemy. Don't get it twisted. The only thing I know about him is that there was a time he's part and parcel of those that attack PM. And this guy happened to be very close to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whether you like it or not. He was very, very close to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He knew a lot. To the extent that he even know a lot about Ikonso. In this video, you know the real name of Ikonso and Ikonso's wife and what happened. They are now accusing him that all the money Biafran contributing, give it to him to take care of Ikonso's wife and two children, that he mismanaged it. And he was here trying to justify that. I don't have answer to that because I'm not part and parcel of their group. Connect it with what is going on now. That's the reason why I'm bringing it. I'm not bringing it for you to hear gossip, no. But understand that most of the things that is going on now that seem to us like it is a new thing and you don't believe this thing can exist. My brothers and sisters, it has been occurring, just that you yourself is new to the system. They will always do the same thing. Like what I said in our broadcast earlier today, in our second platform, that Igbo people are not ready. We are not ready. Like I said, it is difficult to accept, but that is raw truth. We are not ready. That's why people will wake up and begin to attack the US, attacking this, attacking that. And those attacking don't even have any idea, nothing to lead. They don't have the skill, they don't have the zeal, they don't have the urge. The only thing they know is how to criticize those leading. As if you give them the seat, they will pilot this properly. Once you call it, okay, come and handle this here. Say, yeah, Shebi say, no, I don't know how to drive. Come and drive it, let us see. Everybody will dodge. People that can't even present their face to appear on people's platform are those criticizing those. So a lot is going on, like I said, but I don't want to defeat. I've been trying to control myself, but please let us know what you are doing. And I said something before. If you're one of those that are moving from platform to platform, gossiping to leadership, telling them this one, bringing segregation in your leadership skill or in your government or your tenure, you are not harming me. You are hurting yourself and the opportunity you have to serve their friends. Okay, I believe I have made myself clear that. Please help me like the video, subscribe to this channel in case if you are new. Very, very important. Now, let us hear Osoj.
Okay, Melo. And attack him tomorrow. Attack him next tomorrow. Attack him the other. No. Me, I want you to welcome others. I want you to share this program.
Okay.
Tosalumozia bialuebu wajetebere. N'ihi na ọ naanị onye nwụrụ anwụ ka a na-ekwuchi ọnụ. Oke adịghị ihe onye mụ anya. What I'm about to do this night is what I know how to do best. To use truth just truth, ezioku, and destroy my enemies. What I want to do this night is to make the world know how incompetence.
Lillian.
KK Oda.
Firstborn, all of you. God bless you for joining me. Our mommy is here too. Our mommy is here. Happy man. I see you, man. You're welcome. Greetings to you. Izuchuku Darlington. I greet you. How are you? Woke Zike and Christopher. Okay, Chukwemeka Ezechuku. I see you. I think I said my greet to you already. So I think we're good to go. Am I missing anybody? I don't want to miss all of you. I don't want to miss anybody. Adobe Joy. Greetings. Ezekiel Godwin. So these are people on the comment section so far. Please, as you join us, hit the like button. Obi-Wan, one of us. I see you. Destiny Chinedu, our own brother, one of us. God bless you, sir. I greet you. Godwin 247. 247. Are you trying to copy? Go 247. 247. Okay. You're welcome. Please pay attention to Darlington, all right, so that you know there's no cause for alarm. All this thing going on is part and parcel of our behavior. If I John, Daniel Sola, I see you. Gadi, I see you. Ada Johnson. All of you, please, you're welcome, and please hit the like button. Hear this.
In this struggle.
Okay.
Because of emotion. So many of you goes where there is crowd. I stand where there is truth. Because of emotion. Because to you people, so many of you say Christmas is not outside. There is one man who is after ESN, who is holding position. I've been reading messages since 3 days. After my program, I go and read message, and I begin to ask myself, does these people think at all?
Okay.
So many of you doesn't reason, doesn't think. The leader of indigenous people of Biafra, somebody among the leadership of the movement is engineering Chibuzo Emmanuel Ifeajuna Egwuato to be attacking him. Serially. You attack him today, attack him tomorrow.
Please, the name he mentioned is AKA Ikenga Uragu, so don't get it twisted. Chibuzo Egwuato, he's here complaining about the attack Chibuzo Egwuato is giving to Mazen Mukan. Now, pay attention. Like I told you, this one is going to be a long one, so we are not quitting very soon. This is not. I'm not going to spend 1 hour here. This one will be more than 1 hour. Can I assure you that?
Attack him next tomorrow. Attack him the other. This like 247 attack. And the people you are looking up to at the helm of affairs.
DOS group.
Look, saw, and look the other way. And some of these people, one of them is in the front line writing the clip that Chibuzo Egwuato is singing.
In Anya.
So because anytime they bring propaganda, I destroy it on this platform. Dear friends, honestly, this particular platform has fought a lot of battles and they have never lost anyone.
Hold it there. Remember this I'm sorry to that I'm not supposed to pause it much, but I know some of us have some of us are highly sentimental. Some of us actually, like people who claim they know this guy very well, we watch it and say, Kai report, you are promoting this guy, have done this and done that. Like the way some people see Caterpillar, some people see this guy like that. But in my own side, I don't know much about him. I don't know much about Caterpillar. That's gospel truth. So everything is about hearsay. That I actually see him as somebody who is not, who I cannot relate with, is because he's part of the group that are attacking PM Simon Ekpa. They have not done anything wrong to me personally. So if you are one of those, please don't go gaga and say, oh, the guy report. Now PM is not here, you are promoting this. I'm not promoting anybody. I want us to learn and understand something from what is going on from their camp. Then you know that it's not peculiar to USB or what Ogekere is doing. Everybody, we have some people who are very, very bad from their mother's womb. Very, very bad. That's why I says we are not yet ready. But let's see. Hopefully we will. Our people, maybe they'll wake up.
This particular platform has fought several battles and have won all of them. And this night, another winning is here looking at you as I'm speaking to you right now.
Okay.
Because I do win in everywhere.
Chinasa
Nworu is writing the script that Chibuze Wato is reading for you outside there.
Bagam
Nworu times 10 million. This struggle will not fall.
Bagam.
So now I want to tell all of you.
You know why I say Bagam? Because it is very clear that these people that are the so-called US leadership, they're not for Mass American, just like what is Ogekere group are doing. And they're always in front seat. Each time somebody that has something to offer come, they will push themselves at front seat to the person and block every other place. Every other place. Who would have believed that Mass American, that Chinasa Nworu and all this, even to this Mass American wife is calling him what is this name? On our there's a title the Master Canon to have on a year that Sia always mock them with that name. If I remember that, I would let you know. There's a name that normally called Chinasa Nworu, and Chinasa Nworu happened to be the one, according to this guy, talented, writing script. Tell me, how can somebody like Ike Guragu constantly calling for the head of Master American? Agune Chemba, Hamilton, Yamaragema. Thank you so much, Agune. That's the title. These people, after claiming that they're with Master American and all these things, they will go behind committing crime. Ask yourself, why is it so easy that the US who claim they are one mighty group, one mighty formidable, Chinasa Nworu keep on calling for head of Mass American publicly. No press statement, no, not even Mass American, who know how to write petition and how to report people to the country of their resident to arrest, to deport, to repatriate. Nothing was said. I'm not calling for anybody to happen to him because I'm not in the position to do that. But it is shocking. This guy now telling you the source of the message that is coming from Chinasa Nworu. Again, our own is to hear, please. I'm not planting anything here. I'm not here to attack anybody. Listen, that a content creator, you have to write on everything.
That always have it in your mind or thinking that an individual can destroy the struggle. Is it not shameful that a coordinator of this movement will call me and be telling me, Mazi, stop talking about Chinasa Nworu now. You are spoiling this struggle. You want to destroy this struggle. I will look myself. Me, try to destroy the struggle. Was this not what you guys told me during the time I was battling that the money that belongs to ESN should be given to them by Nenianya? You people say I wanted to destroy the struggle. Did she release the money? No. Was the struggle destroyed? No. Are we still here? Yes. Another person will call me. Calm down, please. Don't talk too much. Don't you know that the enemies will capitalize on your broadcasting to attack the DOS? And do you know that if DOS is scattered and the struggle is gone? Oga, I am not attacking DOS. I beat my chest to say it always. I am pointing out and exposing an individual among the members of the Directorate of State. Not just individuals. Marito among them are the people I am talking about here every day and night. Isaiah Yoba, Abu Animu, Chinasa Nworu. Then the The Wapoda in Italy, the man whom the enemy have used to scatter the media, those on the visual media in this struggle, the man that the enemy have used to scatter it, called KK, the security man, Nana Gate in Italy. Na street, inda karanka ndone make chono ne chenche na street of Italy. But now talented this, talented that. Dear friends, nobody is capable of destroying this IPOB movement. It is an ideology. If Nigeria government cannot destroy this movement with all their money, with all their contacts, with all their diplomatic connections, with all their media might, who else do you think can destroy it? Nobody. Dear friends, if Nigeria government can even bring BBC, do you know how large BBC is? You do not know how large BBC is. I wish you know how large BBC is. British Broadcasting Corporation could not destroy this struggle. Hi, some individuals, some watchings. And I say, yes, you want to destroy the struggle. You want to destroy this. Is it not shameful that you, as a coordinator, is believing that an individual can destroy a struggle? This particular struggle that is an ideology. And you look at whom you think can destroy the struggle, it is me. Became. And at the end of the day, you begin to talk down on me, to insult me, to call me so many names that I want to destroy a struggle that I have put my life into.
Sorry.
Just as no country on this planet Earth can do so. By the time you people begin to reason, begin to think towards this direction, the better you reason and know why I am doing what I'm doing. Because someday, those of you that call me and say you are sorry during the time of Nene are going to call me again. And this time you have to shed tears while talking to me. Mazo Beleze is working hardly, tirelessly to restore decorum in IPOB movement in the absence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why I want to start this way is to let you know that nobody, be it me, be it Shina Sanworu, be it Isaiah, be it Nzurumike, be it Abanyimo, be it Shikedozim, all of them put together, nobody can. Oh my goodness, you people don't understand how this movement is structured. Before I go on to debunk their propagandas and their lies, I want you to ask yourself, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started this movement and constituted the first institution known as the DOS, led by Ikechukwu Enyago, when Ikechukwu Enyago and Rita Ndibogu, Ngozi Mmadu and co, when they misbehave, when they act as if that they are demigods, was the struggle destroyed? Ajiji Kanna June. Fools Kanna June. Those ones that I'm on the comment section now typing rubbish. Anna June, was it destroyed? No. Did the struggle continue? Yes. I will leak a secret to each and every one of you tonight when I'm done telling you one or two. A secret that you need to know.
Before we continue, there was a time the rumor that this guy has joined police. Somebody said that he saw him wearing police uniform somewhere along anyone expressway. I don't know how true is that. So I'm surprised to see him like Obi-Wan is saying here that he don't even remember that they are still in existence. They do exist, committing nuisance. Now, he's here trying to tell you that he's still relevant in the movement and all that. So whether that our brother that rumor that he's just saying it for saying sake, I don't know. But I heard it that he has moved on. I'm surprised to see him resurfacing. Do you understand? So I'm as shocked as you, Obi-Wan. So, but whatever. You know, some people know how to dish out lie. I can't just pretend about it because I have received series of messages from my WhatsApp. People will call you Mazi, I have a proof that that so person is building free station. That's a petrol station. And the other person is have one supermarket. You say, wow, really? Say, yes, go out and tell Biafran because we need to let people know this. I say, okay, I will do that. I'm waiting for you to send me the video, the evidence. No, Maz, just go and say it. Don't worry, I will send it to you. By the time you finish, before you finish yourself, you will receive message from me. I say, okay, I will go. Then I pretend I just ignore you and continue with my normal program. Mazi, you know, I waited for you to broadcast about it, but I did not see. These are people that want to put in problem. They want to go out there, use your force on your platform to lie. So you know, as day goes by, we are learning. I mean, honestly, I don't know that we have that kind of people before, but now it's not getting better. It's not getting clearer to me. Now, him telling you what he's telling, and to me, I think there's part of me that believe what he's saying about the saga going on there, but let me allow him to say it by himself. Please, if you are just joining us, like the video and share it widely. Very, very important.
The struggle continues. The struggle continues to flourish. So you people, they are telling you that I'm attacking the DOS so that I will destroy the struggle. I will bring the DOS down. I will do this, I will do that. That is what they are telling you. So because of that, out of emotion, you relax and you say, okay, want to destroy this struggle. You want to destroy this struggle. Anybody that tells you that I want to destroy this struggle is not worthy of being in this struggle, because that person, his brain is lower than that of a chicken. Do you know how mighty IPOB is? I mean, do you know how powerful IPOB is? For you to descend so low to think that me, Mazo Chukwubikem, can destroy IPOB, that is to say that you are not qualified to handle a post or even talk about Biafra. Because Biafra restoration is an ideology that no bullet, no gun can destroy. Are you wondering why people will go on evangelism? They will be shot and killed today. Tomorrow, the senior brother of that person that was killed today will come out and join IPOB. Next tomorrow, a sister of someone who is in this, who doesn't even believe in the struggle, who was telling the sister, no, they go there, stop going there, this will happen to you. Once he heard that this person went on.
No, workers, you can don't reply, Emeka. Don't reply, Emeka. Leave. You know, some of us have tumor. Without, I'm talking about tumor, not like tumor as a real tumor. Some of us have a very big problem in our brain. I saw his message, even the one Adobe Joy put here. Some of you, sometimes, the way you guys put message, I ask myself, are you sure that these people are Biafrans? Or you are just, let me start from Adobe's own. This is just a distraction, but I don't mind. Oga, we are now in USB, okay? You are still in the old. We are now in the new of which once somebody is out, they will be happy. He said we are now in the new of. I don't know what you mean by new of. So you are trying to tell him that you are not in USB. So therefore, everything that he knows before, what is going on, in his life should flush away. Did he actually say that USB is not in anything here? No. His reason why I bring it here is for you to connect it like what he said. But the one that actually baffles me is this one. This person, this one is shocking. He said, even the you that is doing the program, even the you, I think even you that is doing the program are promoting him. Why I ignore that? Because that is your reason capability. So this is your own. I can understand. Please, for those of you that can, because I have noticed that many of us have issue. Please like the video if you are new, and let me just ignore that you did not say that. Let me just
meeting, and Nigerian government invaded the location and killed the sister. the person will join the family meeting in the next week, while the sister is still lying down somewhere. So when they brought that ideology of that they want to destroy the struggle, tell them that they are all saboteurs, liars, blackmailers. Nobody can destroy the struggle. During the time of Omiomio as the head of the Directorate of State, to be frank with you, there are more powerful men in this struggle at the time of Omiomio, whose voice are more powerful and feared than now. This leadership might have fought a battle that is bigger than that former DOS. And they cannot say they fought that battle without people like me, Mazo Elezechukwu Bikem. My name is written in gold in the struggle. So nobody can change it. Nobody can cancel it. It does not matter how you see it or how you want to face it. You sent Chibuze Gwatu to me to beg me during the time of Nyanya issue. To come and beg me to come and start talking because people listening to me, people believe me because I say the truth. This were the word of Chibuze Gwatu. Because they knew 100% that when I speak, Biafrans listen. That is why they sent Chibuze Gwatu to come to me. And at the same time, Chibuze Gwatu was telling me,
this guy maybe. Are you sure that this is not the one that trained Eggman? Because sometimes he sounds like Eggman. He behaves like Eggman. Are you sure that this guy and Eggman is not somehow related? I'm just asking. Sometimes he sounds so. You speak Biafra and listen. Right. so that's some of us. Once you have your own space, you know, where you're operating, you begin to think that you own the whole world. You control everything. You know everything. Now, wow. Okay.
My account, I refused. I said no. Now I'm coming back. The struggle was not destroyed when Omiomio and his regime came and left. Then we continue with Uche Mefo as the deputy. Uche Mefo started his own. Was the struggle destroyed? No. Uche Mefo couldn't even destroy the struggle. I don't know why these people are so much feeble-minded. Why are you people weak in the brain? Why are you people not able to handle common reasoning? Uche Mefo, who was the deputy of indigenous people of Biafra, could not destroy the struggle. It is me that you are lying to the people that I want to destroy a struggle that I have put in my life into. I'm asking you people a question. So anybody who is telling you that Mazo Elezechukwu Bikem is here to destroy the struggle, tell the person that he is, in fact, he's a stupid person. He's Adriamma. And anybody who is telling you that Mazo Elezechukwu Bikem have come to destroy the IPOB leadership, tell the person, Nisha Adriamma Nala Napuya. I cannot destroy DOS. And nobody can destroy the DOS. Mazo Elezechukwu Bikem cannot destroy DOS. It is an institution. That institution is tapping its water from the roots of IPOB ideology. So people come to DOS and go, but DOS remains. Enyago was former DOS head of the Directorate. When he left, was DOS destroyed? No. Uche Nasebu was the former DOS Directorate head. When he left, was DOS destroyed? No. Right now, Mazi Chike Doziem is head of Directorate. If by tomorrow, Mazi Chike Doziem leave as the Directorate of State of this movement, what makes you think that the struggle will fall? How much more position with the Directorate? I'm not among them. No more. This is the language of somebody who is afraid of the truth that is going to convince people beyond every reasonable doubt of their inability to follow rules and regulation that was laid down by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And all those rules were kicking against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu authority. You are tampering with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu authority. And I, Mazi Obeleze Chukwu Bikem, will not allow you to do so. That is why I am here today. Somebody was asking me, what are you going to gain? A brother called me today and said, what are you going to gain if you destroy DOS? Arabamo. Nasinegodi Mwa, he destroyed DOS. Bikomu Biafra, I want you people to type on the comment section. Tell them that nobody is able to destroy DOS, because I am not targeting to destroy DOS. I am targeting to restore decorum in the brain of Chinasa Nworu, in the brain of Agba Anyim, in the brain of Isaiah Oba, in the brain of Dimpa Bini, boyfriend Efe's boyfriend. Nkeji Efe when exercise auto to Neife Nabani. Mbu Keke Oda. I was trying to restore decorum in their brain, to let them know that someone like me is here. I fear none of you. So because I destroy all your lies, all your propagandas, now it resulted in bringing Ikonso wife video. Now, I have a tradition on this platform, and all of you know, I am going to do my tradition. And I challenge Keke Oda to do it. I challenge Chika Austin to put on camera and do it. I challenge Emeka Gift. Emeka Gift to Uchemefo sanction your suspension na Ivory Coast because of ego IPOB. Emeka Gift, I will come for you. Oku akamu case. Oh, nya ono ka okot kroma na aho kan tucha ncho kan ya oku wonto akamu tucha pia. Emeka Gift embezzled IPOB money in Ivory Coast. I have every details about it, but I have not been talking about it because I knew that we worked together, we suffered together in the past. And because of that, you people will listen to me many times. I made mention of his name. So Keta Anuana, or join the those that are battling me. We raise them name caricature on her platform. But today, Inga wonu ni na ala. Para. 1 minute, hold on.
I hope you are catching the point, right? I hope you are catching the point. I want him to tell us the part where he talked about the console and what happened after the console, and his effort helping the console family and everything. Just hold on.
If I'm nemiga hemenguku yao, nekwa nozu. Aga mekpupu obu. If I'm gemi mammengu ya. If you think that what I am doing with all these our traditional rituals, ritual items, do it. If it lasts 21 days, know that I am a liar. I challenge any one of you to do it. All of you put together. If onye na-ekwu maka gị maọbụ ife ị na-ekwu maka mmadụ na ọ bụrụ na asị ka onye na-asịgide onye ahụ ife dị otu a mee gị, apart from me use godiri nzu maọbụ use edo maọbụ use ose ọjị, ike dị n'okwu ọnụ. There are gods that are moving around that register and they understand all the language of all mankind. As long as you eat food that there's salt inside, there's pepper inside, there's oil inside, and you mash the floor and you drink water, we feel low only for game. At the end of the day, to happen, something will happen to you. I heard all of you saying that na ufodos nambu mwalose, kekes nambu mwalose, ufodos nambu amusu, ufodos nam the wicked, ufodos nam the ka purity. Akaturunzu adetunyi. Akaturunzu adetunyi. This is purity. Ndembodandegede will always be there for me. Everything I'm going to say about Nwunye Consort today, Eke Ori Afanankwahena no Bosnano will bear me witness. And if I lie, let them deal with me mercilessly. Let me not see Biafra. But if I say the truth And the KK order and all the people that are concocting rubbish against me, unu niile konora. Obona Biafra ga bi echi niile tato na kpo unu amaputo azo unu amaputola na eke n'orie na afọ na nkwahia na n'ụbọchị na anọ ise. Dekwani ya ọmụ na ekwu ya Maazị Osoji ọ ka nsi eme menu ka nsi tara ike niile na ya kefuli ya ọ ka nsi wee go na nzu purity adịm pure nekwa na edo ọ bụ na ife ọbụla m ga-ekwu gbasatara nwunye iko nsọ abụrụ eziokwu na m na-atụgide ya ashị ka o wee bụrụ na nke a mere ma ọ bụ na nke ọzọ mere. Ana m asị ka ọ hapụ ịdịrị m na mma na eke, ka ọ hapụ ịdịrị m na mma na orie, ka ọ hapụ ịdịrị m na mma na afọ, ka ọ hapụ ịdịrị m na mma na nkwahịa na n'ụbọchị na anọ. Mana ọ bụ na eziokwu ka m na-ekwu, Chukwuka bịa maka gozi m. Aga m na-ashine. Onye Anambra sị aga m na-ashine. Shining ka m ga na-eme, kwụ m ka sa shine. Yes, aga m na-ashine. Nekweni ya.
La bukanda Anambra ka
edu kan lachala ife alachala nzu nwanne try ya n'ife a na-eme na ọ bụ na egwuregwu ka m na-eme try ya anya ọ bụ na ifilu na ife m na-eme na ike adịrọ na ya na m na-eme ka m wee mee ka ndị mmadụ believe m try ya anya ise challenge ekwe na Osoji Maazị Osoji adị m eji ifere Maazị Osoji enwe m ike iji ifere n'ụwa ekwe na Osoji adị eji ifere ọ bụrụ na ife m na-ekwu tata abụrụ ka o si wee dị.
For to some of you that was not happy that they are playing this guy and talking about him, it's only when you get close to people like this then you know more. Like I don't even know that Emeka Gift is in Ivory Coast, but this video revealed that and how Emeka Gift was being paid. Goes to Eliego and all that. Then I back kitchen as a whole so you have to ignore your problem and learn something from people that you are not with. You learn something from that, okay? So don't feel agitated about when you see his face. Thank you. And please, if you are just joining us, I will encourage you to do the needful, like the video. So let's go there.
Biko na ndụ m n'iyi ma ọ bụ na eziokwu ka m na-ekwu ka unu niile ra ma nwunye iko sanwa unu ji mee injinia unu niile ga-ata afụfụ dị elu unu maka nkwutọ nwa ọgaranya karịka. Ama m plan unu bụ ka m disappoint ya my friend, my brother from another mother anaghị Chukwu nwe okike ekwere m ya nkwa ọ yọrọ m biko sị m ọ bụrụ na ụkwụ kpọọ ya na njem a mala bụkwa na ezinụlọ ya mụ na-ekwe gị ọkpara ya mụ jidesie n'ike ọyị ike ọsọ gwara m na ndụ nwunye ya bụ Peace Precious kpọọ na nwunye ya jụọ ya ma mgbe di ya dị ndụ di ya ọgwali ya si ya onwe anything at all o nidiri ma ọ bụrụ na achọ ya ma afọ ya na this struggle ya bịakwute president Chukwubuike m ọ bụrụ na asị ka m na-atụ ọ dị n'ose ọjị ya iteghete ka m meji ya nwe ya bụ ofu ịbụọ ịtọ ịnọ ise isii ịsatọ iteghete ọ dị iteghete n'aka m ebe a na enyi ya ose ọjị unu fụrụ ya ọ dị 9 Osoji ọ dị iteghete n'aka m. Ọ bụrụ na iko nsọ gbọrọ nwunye ya si ya ọ bụrụ na achọ ya nwa bụ iko nsọ ama m nọ na-ege m ntị ama m nọ m nso ama m nọ na-afụ m ọ bụrụ na ọ gwara m sị m onwe ife ọbụla mere nwa m onwe ife ọbụla mere m na njem a biko nna m ukwu ya na-akpọ mbụ nna ya okwu nna m ukwu biko eji Chineke wee yọọ gị ahapụkwa na ezinụlọ m nekwa dị ọkpara m ọ natara chi nekọtara m ya anya nekwa ụmụ m atụrapụkwa na ha nekwa na ya isi ngụgụ ime ya nwụọ isi ngụgụ mee ife ifuru mmiri kịta you will die because I am talking about a hero who was killed prematurely. He died untimely death. A hero, my own blood. I call him my blood, my brother from another mother. I promise that I'm going to stand against all odds. The promise I gave to you while you are still alive, I will continue to maintain that promise. After this program, if the Directorate of State, led by Mazi Chikedozie, decide not to be sending a dime for Ikoso children, Ikoso children, I want to promise the world today that Ikoso children will go to school. You finish primary school, finish secondary school, go to university. Ikoso children will become some people very great in Biafra land. And under my watch will all that happen. Because already I have taken on the Trachi. They can one. So today, I'm going to go.
That's why we're here.
And I am today going to dismantle all of them one by one, one by one.
Okay.
Don't forget that each time they lie against me, they don't swear. They don't take any oath. They don't swear, they don't take any oath. But you take it serious. You believe them. You say, hey, Mazi, come and answer them. Their allegation is baseless, is empty. My allegation is based on the oath that I take. Based on the oath that I take, that it is the truth. So if you learn even the take oath and to give them mercy. Now I saw how they are circulating payment account slip.
My brother, check and can oya homonaya. The Vora, not the Pyro. I hope I pronounce your way. I have not butchered your name, my brother. Thank you so much for your super chat. You said, Mazakai, continue the good work. Where did you resurrect Mr. Honestly, I have been expecting people to ask me this question. The platform where there's a way this social media works like a spirit, to be honest with you. Did it just pump up on my screen, to be honest? Nobody sent it to me. And the channel is not all that big channel for me to see, like, normally it depends on your performance on the channel. But this one, even there where he posted where he made it, where he dropped it, I don't know if it's Facebook or not, but I saw it on YouTube. It's not even up to 300 views. Do you understand? But one thing I love about this video is that when these people they're having problem, like what USB and OKK is doing now, DOS people they not know a lot about what was going on when PM was here because of this saga, because of this enmity, self-hate, and all that going on now. People begin now to know more about why you such. Some are learning something about US. Some are learning something about any people don't get it. But before then, you don't know anything about it because everybody was peaceful. That's the disadvantage of having quarrel with your people. You end up leaking what you're not supposed to leak out. So now they're having a problem. I say, okay, let me sit down and come on to Melo Chanaka. So I also want you to learn from that. That's why I'm just playing it. But some people are not trying to say something about it. So my brother, God bless you for the super chat. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. It's good to encourage, to be honest. Thank you.
Everywhere. And as to Darlington Ego, and Darlington Ego, including Ego Ewetara during the time I Nife Media Warrior and Eke card and Mafuta all the payment slip okay older than a all of you knew that I, Mazopele became started Media Warrior. I started begging Biafrans to bring money so that we can buy card and do what? And share Biafrans across the globe.
That he started Media Warrior, not Media War. Media Warrior, like recruiting broadcasters. He started telling them, let us buy card and share. Okwebaka and Obido with the name Recharge Card Media Warrior. That's why he's trying to use now, where she can't even buy herself, but she's trying to call people Recharge Card Media Warrior. In every ramification. Anyway, my people, I just want to put that out there. Let's continue.
Biafrans worldwide listen to me, and they hearkened to that request, and they started sending me money. And each time they send me money, I post it on Facebook. Each time they send me money, I post it on Facebook. And as they're sending me those money, I begin to dismantle those money. I begin to dislodge it, sending people. Emeka gift to Ketara ego. Now, those who receive no fan and a webta here. Emeka give the Ketara card or
all of you know.
Emeka give the Ketara card from there. Not once, so not twice, so okay, Ketara bro no yawa. No, the family writers. Mano yawa bu oyena chikota ha. Chukwe buka wiwu. Echefu na echefu na nguli yu eji mo edo nwo yi wure nzu nwo yi. Bia wure kwazi oso oji nwo yi. Chukwe buka wiwu. More than 3 times ha ketakwala ego. From those you could receive even if I had both. I'm happy that those receipts you are bringing them out. But there is something I will explain to you about one of those receipts today. How can I go? Each time I will go bunny train, like from example, somebody will get because you make 1,000, sometimes 500. You card 200. And if you watch what was happening then, Mazinan kind of sanctioned what I was doing. Mazinan kind of liked it because everybody was kind of sharing Mazi program. Mazinan me broadcast to all those cards in now. So when they go, if you give last night they be Maz, up let you become on here. Keke Oda, if they give me boogie after this program. So now, when I necessarily all those things, it's not that those things are not my problem. But there is a particular receipt. That receipt was the receipt I've been telling you Biafrans about. That Keke Oda sent money to my account. Oh God. Too much. You people love me so much. My ancestors. I preempt what my enemies want to do. I like before it happened, they open my eyes and tell me, see what is happening, and I will come out and speak. And some of you will say, hey, you talk too much. That talking too much has been helping and saving me. Keke Oda. Na Oda. Oto akihiya amam ke efese meditate enjoy. Oto akihiya. So in a bid to set me up on a high speed to set me up, Keke Oda sent, I told you people 300 and something thousand. That was 369,300. I have told Biafrans this thing, not this month only, not last month only, not last 2 months only. I have been saying it, repeating it, singing it as bell, that no send the leg out account because my spirit told me that these guys want to set themselves up. So always an account then at the end of the day, he will now come out and say that na niya bego o send the talam kanye family konso, mo kanye umu konso, mo kamenka mo kamenkozo. But this morning, Okechukwu Osiwu is my living witness. He's a man I love and respect so much. I told the world about this money. This particular amount of money was money meant for transmitter. Okechukwu Osiwu, the in charge and involved. You people should inbox him and ask him if he received this money when Keke sent it to me, claiming it was a mistake. Keke Oda sent this money to me and left it after 48 hours, 72 hours, claiming it was a mistake and came back to me. I didn't talk. I didn't touch the money. I keep quiet, watching. It's a setup. My spirit never lied to me. And when he contacted me, he said, hey, Mazi, there's a money I wanted to send to for our transmitter runs. And I mistakenly sent it to you. Please, I will give you account number, his account number where we forward the money. He sent Okechukwu Osiwu's account number to me. I forwarded this money. Okechukwu Osiwu must be watching this program live now as it is hot. And if Okechukwu Osiwu come out to say that it's not truth, if okay, you people should answer, inbox okay, ask okay. If it is not truth, then I will bring the receipt of transfer that I did, the exact amount that Keke Oda mark here as part of the money that he claimed they sent to me for Ikonso wife and children. KK Oda only sent me money 3 times. Apart from this particular one, which made it 4 times. Now, the first money that KK Oda sent to me, was it 3 times or 4 times? Let me check. The first money that KK Oda sent to me was, it was 50,000. As at that moment, the IPOB leadership have not started sending monthly token for the maintenance of a console kits.
Okay.
They have not, as at then.
Okay.
And the boy, the little boy, got sick. I complained to Nzurumike. Nzurumike said he will get back to me later. Then Keke told me that he have spoken to Ndishi. So now that I should give him an account so they can send me money. I would, so that I can use to take the boy to the hospital. I repeat, I have respect for people. Sharing people's account details online in this struggle is tantamount to not just sabotage, but you make yourself, you reduce yourself to the last bottom. You are lower than a vermin. And whatever that is your plan and all those things has nothing to do to me, because already I'm a dead man. I know they fear any one of you. So this money was returned to Okechukwu Osiwu. Keke sent me 20,000. Keke sent me 40,000. Keke sent me 50,000 just once. The 20,000 was Mazi, wherever fuel, where my program.
Thanks for coming.
50,000 he sent me was Mazi, where support or wherever we console, where Gaon. I took auto, I swear here now. And the spirit of Ikonso is always there watching over me. The 20,000 was wherever fuel grow card. The 50,000 was for the boy.
Okay.
Then the 40,000 was for me. Also, Mazi, wherever we again we support to just is for you. This money that I'm talking about right here, I actually cannot deny that I did not receive them. I do. These ones I didn't mention of now, I do receive them. And I always come online to tell Biafrans, I am grateful to those of you that are sending me money. I have never denied that Biafrans doesn't use to send me money. I have not. So that is where I win you people before these allegations. But when I for this 300 or something thousand, that is the setup that KK was preparing since early morning against me. Then I continue to tell the world, no account return all the money. The last thing they make it able, EJ snap that thing because Obola fear, Obola phone was okay, Chuku, or see you bonye water account. I hate you, and the ya go age alu transmitter somewhere. Okay, Chuku see would indo. He received the money. Mekwa Monchukwaya send the Kwara KK that I'll send it to Okechukwu Osiwu. I watch for them at like a day like this. So Biafrans, unemezina ununo na madu meli ifedi oto ami ifedi na mabata kawi on bawamba kusuwe without hearing from that person. So can do second ka na akoko.
Okay.
Now back to Nwunye. So many Biafrans sent me money to give to Nwunye. And each time the money comes, I deliver.
Okay.
Biafrans, Nwunye do not have account. I must the Chugu became open account for Nwunye. If one enable each send the ego when she was staying with the children after the demise of my brother from another mother, Ikonso, after they killed Ikonso. Each send the piece ego, he will now go to POS. Nata account number in the POS. He send the LND POS, he will recharge his ego. I told her, no, we will not continue like this. Go and open an account. I directed her. What account? The first Android Android phone that this woman used was bought by me. 125,000 from ego ndị mmadụ nyere m ka m na-enye, and if engineer that Android bụ ka o nwee ike ịdị na log into her account, o nwee ego ọbụla esendere, maybe o dịghị enweta alert o check it online, she can actually operate her account online. I did it.
Okay.
When I'm done doing this program, go and miss Peace. Draw Peace here. Prince omepere account. Also no. And neighbors of the Roku will kill her instantly. Dear Getibuya, na yochuku Getibuya. Joya sia Prince Ogoirigi phone. Open also no book na me go in here phone. And neighbors of the Roku Getibuya. The first birthday of Mwikonso after Kapapea Onro, that was 2022. This was happening. Was it 2022? Yes, 2022. I bought bicycle for the Obadi Konso. I bought bicycle for the Konso. I bought bicycle for the smallest one. 3 bicycles. Kanzo. Bunyamu Konso. Sia Komugi. Otu a nwanne nwoke na-eme nwanne ada adịkoso na-eme that birthday not nke Diokpara. Otu a na-eme birthday ka ụmụnne ya ụmụazị nwoke dị na-adị happy because achọrọ m ka ụmụazị na-enwe the feelings of the exit of their father. Achọrọ m ya. Every now and then ka m na-esend the Peace ego. All the money that I sent to Peace through POS is registered. Accountability is there. Then who go to the account? All the money that I sent into her account is the account is there. It got a time that some Biafrans called me and say, we want to open business for this woman. No need to call them a business. And say yes, not the good. But before Ikonso went Sobunwo, Ikonso Koromsim, Niachoroka family and Ronimo State. Mubiko, Musinanambra State, which all ebe family Giano, because Niachoroka Hanor outside Imo State.
Okay.
Ikonso Ntukwase, Melo Mahu, Manamkwezoku, Melo Keke Odahu, Melechinaso Wolahu, Melo Kedu na precious ahu, Kahani Rabundana Tubodomasi, Moge Chuku. Me make a gift ma chika Austin merolom haninaro because go aka na agwa nga agbanite mmụọ eji moso oji we na akpọ gị n'ụtụtụ na ihe n'abalị ọ bụ na ihe m na-ekwu na nna atụgide family gasị na onwere ife mmelo na m na ego ha na-eri. I didn't do anything for them. Ikonso come after me. If not, Ikonso stay with me and protect me. Stay with me as I'm fighting in the physical realm. You will be fighting for me in the spiritual realm. And anybody that want to make caricature of your death with your children, using your wife, and Masi, Ikonso, why they have him canene? Nakuya do no sir. He said, Unu nechero nyunu geju na abache egusi n'iru akwụkwọ bụrụ ana yochukwu nwa okike. Commander ana yochukwu Ikonso. You people do not know what brought me and the Ikonso together. You people do not know the bond that I was in with Ikonso. You people do not know the oath I and Ikonso held our hands. Just me and him. When he was alive. The family of Ikonso called me their son.
They asked this guy, they questioned him, they are trying to drag him about money. It's always money, 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 right? The same thing they asked Oginkere. Instead of Oginkere to come and even use those surgery or even to come and use Inzu and those surgery to do this kind of thing. Working man now we're gonna give enemy. This see Biafra is called your enemy. Your enemy. This is your enemy. DOS on their own side actually trying to be accountable to some of the money. I'm not saying that what he did here is, generally accepted, but at least face the reality somehow. Instead of okay to do the same thing, enemy, Biafra see you, enemy, as if that is the only two things. Nobody asks you to come and give in the account of everything, no. But at least the money in the account, which you claim that there's no money in the account, the second person that have access to the account managed to screenshot it and send it to cabinet members, they now know there's $68,000 in the account. Until this moment, Ogenkere couldn't print the receipt or the balance to show different. But he have the zeal, the audacity to print people's picture. Since he's scared of printing, but he can print people's picture to tell you, see you enemy, no, you enemy. The account that actually lead to all those things, no. But though he had been planning it before even the arrest of CPM. Now, let him just say the way the whole thing, his own experience or his own take on that.
Now, I now call Munyi Konso, see, I actually me play shop. Kena Azuafia. I say yes. No, you okay. I sent the first money I sent to her was 300,000. In bulk, I sent 300,000 to her. The second money was 250,000 in bulk because account here the too low. That 300,000, I didn't put it like I sent it in a day, but not once. A position on me 50 into 6, but the same day, like within some period of time, the whole money entered into the account. Even they blocked the account because of that volume of amount of money. She has to go and upgrade it. Then I now put another 250. Then later I put another 300 into that account. Later, this is how I was pumping money into this account. Got your shop, you make business. The more the IPOB in the front, you consonanya with ego through me. At this point in time, Munyi Konso was still with the children, with the 3 children. I fulfilled my promise to Konso by taking them to Anambra State, Ihiala, to be precise. Okay. I rented house for them. Go furnish here. One piece join here, Biafra. If I did not, my television, no, my ifajibino, no, my phone, property, no, my gas, if only if obu sina be Konso poor, everything had the breba. I bought them. Biafra school no follow this life. On a demma madname if you keep record. No matter who they have when you come out to vindicate yourself, to speak the truth, your truth will vindicate you, and people will know if that person not to get say or wezibo mad or wajo mad. We Konso mwesia umugi any diriti here na school.
So gospel. What you saying is gospel. Thank you for that.
Egone. She told me I provided the money because the moment in the money go, the money I am sending it to her immediately. That time I'm offering because on Capelumpe Obidoba school. So I did why na the there Bidoro school. Only 2 weeks. If I message the girl one sim no kada na kundoka dogo kandoka da nebuje the children nebunata the children nsi ha ego ne okuo. I sent the money to her. Umazi go school onye okada bia buru ha. Umazi natawa school onye okada bia buru ha. In a house where I rented for the girl. The girl lived in that house only but 1 month. Umunni Konso the ndo. Oge na bia ogo no ga fu umunni Konso. Just one nwayo. Oge na bia ogo nga for ha ga bia gwu no but unu ga anu nke toro bia tina bania.
Why so?
Unu ga ania. So keke oda oge chukwu asini no na akụ asini no na atụ unu to konocha ya ejim eziokwu nji bu ife There is no, there's no how darkness can comprehend with light. You people are children of perdition from A to Z. Otu akunu so we propaganda we to say we condemn so many people in Nigeria. O mo abo anyere mo anyere mmaba. Ewenku ụgwọ ọkada na-ebuju ụmụazị iko nsọ akwụkwọ. Every now and then I'll call to speak to the children. 1 month ka the girl will be able to say me like the compound again. Na ngakwa no muntu o. Ya a room and palo ka nkwoli ogwu ya. Room and palo self con. Don't forget ni ko gwari asia. Ichoma from onwe ho bu ni need gị na ụmụ Jekun President Linton. Maazị Okpeleze Chukwu Bikem. Ọ ga-provide the on. O nwere ihe kpatara iko ji wee kwuo onye. At the end of the day, what happened? Can you still hear me, please? I want you to confirm that you can still hear me. Can you still hear me? Please confirm that you can still hear me. I will explain all this, Mazi Oliver Luke. I have to explain all this. I'm a good man with a very good heart, very beautiful heart. Now, when you go to see like close that place will be. No, the boss here for no. You say why, Kwano? I could go never 1 year. Omo biafa na ngana monti. Ntu asi Chineke nna kpọọ m ọkụ ka hapụ ife ihe ọma n'ụwa mmadụ na-ekwu eziokwu ka eke Chukwu ga-akpọ ọkụ oge Chukwu ga-akpọ ọkụ Emeka Gift Chukwu ga-akpọ ọkụ Chika Austin Chukwu ga-akpọ ọkụ kwuru niile rabụ ndị ratụgide masị ma Chinasa nwe Chukwu ga-akpọ niile ọkụ. I have to tell this truth. People are still hearing me. Thank you, Jekwu. So ukwu nke ahụ kwuru ebe ahụ nara n'iyi osi m na ya like all the place ya actually be ebe ahụ Gift dịkwa ndụ ha nwere kọntaktị ya ọkwa mụnwa nyere ha kọntaktị ya ọkwa mụnwa ka ha kpọrọ sị m nweta kọntaktị gị Precious nwere ya nyefa afia wo peace bro.
I know sir, I know.
Then Precious asị m na ya fugo n'ebe ọzọ ego nkwụ n'ụlọ nke ahụ nke bụ was double of ihe akwụ na nke izizi. Say like level say good and fine ngwa o tere aka all the very close to each other. Say okay, good and fine. Ihe nchọbụ ka ụmụazị ya nọrọ ọfụma. After Canada Taruna, she came back to me again and said that Nia needed Okada.
Okay.
Nia need the bike. Okay, this will like here when they boom as when I got school.
Okay.
Nia chorozi ka onye keke then a broom ya. Nia need the bike. Vroom vroom.
Vroom. Okay.
Where all my friend ni here say because they need the bike.
That price my home my one number cake man.
Ya bagay mate because they need me. The mate. I paid 120,000 naira. Achira kwụkwọ machine, brew machine. Obrokwa brand new one. The guy na-ele machine. A brew machine bụ nwunye console. Mbọsị nwunye console morere machine ahụ ere ma otufuru etufu amahom na nga ntị o. Ọkwa ndị sị na nwunye console ada aga school. Ọ na-eme weta ego president na-erie. Ọ na-eme nke ọzọ eme nke ọzọ. Na nga ntị ajọsụ wee nwayọ na-arịpụta. Ego ni na ntị na account nwunye console sendiri nwunye console ka nwunye console wee mee gịnị wee mepe shop. F nwunye console ego. Ese ndị ala nwanne ya nwoke. Nwanne ya nwoke were ya na-alụ nọ na village ha.
Okay.
Nwunye console ji ego esendiri ka o wee na-enye ụmụ ya nri wee na-alụ nọ na village. Benni ya. Mụ na akpawa nkata one day ọ sị m
okay.
Na nwanne ya nwoke na-alụkwa n'ụlọ and na dị ụlọ elugo na roofing na ha roof ya very very soon na ya dị very very happy. Inside nwanne ya nwoke ọ na-ekwu ihe nwere ife ọ na-alụ ka ọ na-anara m ego ka m na-enye ya ego ka nwanne Ikonso bụ aṅụrị ka ndị mmadụ out of the pity of Ikonso ha nye aṅụrị ike ego o werekwa ego ahụ nye ya. Nwanne Ikonso ka a na-akpọchikwado nke onye ga-anụ voice ya na this platform today enyekwa ya ego ka onye nwunye Ikonso o werekwa the money nye ya. I'm talking of millions I'm talking of millions, not hundreds, not thousands, millions. When they goes on Pakistan, there's the way the girl ego. Now, the issue of Umuikonso, of Mua, Umuikonso no, is where I want to go to now. But I want you to follow this program sequentially. And I want, after this program, go and listen to it again. Peace chere na onwu di ya ga-eme ya na otu ahụ ego si abịa that time iko nwechara ọfụrụ n'otu a ka ọ ga-adịrị gawa. Akpọrọ m Peace si ya, nne m biko make sure you open this business. Agwa gị m open. Anọrọ m nso. There's going to be a time where you will not be seeing money the way you are seeing money now. The one that you are seeing now, ego niile ndị mmadụ na-eweta maka ọnwụ dị ụka dị very very fresh. Biko try ya ka i were ya were gịnị were bido something. Imepe na shop nwa ni ama hanya business. You cannot do business. O nwere ego somebody nyere m munye this woman 180,000 naira. Nwere that money nye munye Ikonso. After 2 days munye Ikonso akpọ m si m send ali ego.
Okay, I'm going to appreciate it. Thank you so much, Ezinwaifi. We are still waiting for Darlington to expose PM's EBA. Osna gave me expose. Did he say that? I did not see that part too. Did he promise at all that he will expose PM in terms of what? That one is jargon now. The only thing I want us, the reason why I want you to, that actually made me to play this at all, is because of Ikonso's children and all that he mentioned them. And I want to know how they are doing, how they are faring in that camp, you understand? Because what is going on now between Ogenkere, 4 back, 4 deep, USB, they are enjoying it. So let us also know their own side of the story. That's why I want to, it's okay, let me just bring it up.
You see, after 2 days, you 180,000. What happened to the money 2 days ago? You need all the account. You print what receipt. You send the money goes ego. Push you on Facebook. Mokachukwu nene ya. Unu nine bunde na komi about when you also give you the bewakwa. And I am heading there. When you go so
Emeka Weke, he's not as if he want to make money from it. Maybe in the future, but he has already done it. He said it and they paid a lot of money to him. He's just trying to give account of the board that Biafran have already paid to him to give, to care for Uye Ikonso and all that. If what he said here is true, after using those Oji and Ikwoku, which some of us, no matter if you like to believe it or not, that can also have its own significance. Whether it's true or not is entirely his business. But if you don't believe him, so what then do you have to say to fall back Republic? That cannot get you use those Oji Ikune if I'm just saying. I'm not saying you should swear for me. I don't need it. But if he can do it, he's better than he's at least he tried than Ogenkere. Do you know how many things that they have accused him? His real name, his place of his state of origin, not even his town, state, according to Nigerian structure, is not in the public. Okay, his name, the account, money in the account that he said that there's no money in the account, whereas there was money in the account, and telling you that with the CRC that Biafrans, for you to contest for the office of APM, which they're about to create as of that time when they brought out the memo, that one of the criteria is that you have to be somebody that PM must have introduced you to the Biafran Liberation Army, meaning that you know in and out of the everything. None of them qualified that criteria of CRC. Egbana gave him contact of success, who is in Homeland though. So success now connect him to Biafran Liberation Army. I don't know if you are following this. If you know this story, there's no way you'll fall back. If you know this story, there's no way you'll fall back. So let us just, a criminal is a criminal. No matter how the camp, where the person is coming from. A criminal that sold Master and now acting innocent. That's a story for another day, my brother. You see, I don't want to go there because there's a lot of issue about these guys. People have actually said that. That's why I'm surprised to see his video, because there was a time the rumor that he's already in Nigerian police. Somebody said that he saw him in Enugu on the Expressway, where he was also he was among the police there collecting Roger. You know what I mean by like Chandy. Hey, if you collect, yeah, you know, this is a regular language. Collecting such Chandy, 20 naira and all that. I think they have upgraded it, maybe now it's 50 or 100 based on the economy. So don't feel don't feel bad when you hear him talking. I just want us to understand that that is smart, Mr. Kai. US and IPOB should go and drink some Kulud. About what? Let me see your comment. I guess they are waiting for Mazen Bukano to come out and start shouting again. Why they loot? Why they loot? Of course, there is a shame on them all. Idle men. You know the game already. You think they started dragging for position each time somebody that is serious, emerge. These people, they know how to drag front seat, because know how. And something to go for boys now. At least before you get to the other person, they must have actually grabbed the number of things they want to grab. I understand I know what you're talking about, but the only thing is that we are not here for that. I just want to know the side of Ikonso children and all that, because that part is touching. It's very touching, because Ikonso, everybody know what happened. So hearing that his children is going, and maybe his wife is behaving abnormal because of the death of her husband, is not good at all. So I just pray that everything that he said about the woman is not true. If it is true, that means Ikonso did not marry somebody that that can handle this issue. That is not the fact, and I hope it's not true.
With that money, we stock F.
I just take it back.
We send the other one near Woke. When you okay, we are not alone on the village. When you console Jagwe send the go when you Muyari, when alone on a village. Benya Money on Kata one day or some.
Sorry, SNYEF. Sorry, I forgot to read your message. Criminal that sold Mazen Bukano and okay. I think okay. Thank you. I thought it's a new one.
Now 1 year woke na local no and na don't look na roofing. Na high roof here very, very soon. Near the very, very happy. Inside else, 1 year woke on a queer here with for now. Corner another may go. Can any go? Can one new constable angoreka? Nde mado out of the pity of Ikonso hanyanguri kego orekwega nya. One new Ikonso kana ochikwa don koni ga no voice here na this platform today. Enyekwu ego ko onye enwe Ikonso orekwa the money nya. I'm talking of millions. I'm talking of millions. Not hundreds, not thousands, millions. One new Ikonso nke no Pakistan needs to the girl ego. Now, the issue of Ikonso, of Mua, no Ikonso no, is where I want to go to now. But I want you to follow this program sequentially. And I want, after this program, go and listen to it again. And with me, we are. Peace, chere na onwu dia ga-eme ya na otu ahụ ego si abịa that time iko nwechara ọfụrụ na otu a ka ọ ga-adịrị gawa. Akpọrọ m Peace si ya, nne m biko make sure you open this business. Agwa gị m open. Anọrọ m nso. There's going to be a time where you will not be seeing money the way you are seeing money now. The one that you are seeing now, you're going to the very, very fresh. Biko try ya ki were when again would be do something. You may pen a shop business. You cannot do business. When will go somebody near them? Munye, this woman 180,000 naira. Where that money Ikonso After 2 days, when you go up some send the ego. You see, after 2 days, you 180,000. What happened to the money? 2 days ago. You need all the account. You print what receipt. You send the when you go ego. Push you on Facebook. Makachukunu nene ya. Unu ni nebunde na komi apart when you go so give you the bewakwa. And I am heading there. When you go so we say near where that money. We renye mamaya. Kama mea we zoro ogbono. We stock so that all get dry season. Ogo ogbono na galon. Kama mea ready ogbono. Wenye chiga ye go azu. Una for peace, una for that girl. If not for that girl, it was a canon wunye or you looking for Nanyarin. And with things, Mark Yokucha finally finding about that girl. But for the fact now, no Nicharanya, Webrum acquire blackmail. O Nicharanya, Webrum ka unuga blackmail. Unu Nicharanya, Webrum Wakuni peace with blackmail. How we spare some things because of Ikonso being my brother. I will spare some things, but I have to tell you people the ones you need to know about that girl. But the voice note of Umuni Ikonso will do the justice when I am done telling you about peace. Egon sur peace. Nego Umuni Ikonso sur peace. It's agota. Oh, one guy na Ochima Amo Kamara. The guy, I don't know, because on na compound their way down. Because obviously, metastasis naturally knows here again. After 2 months, the first one entry 1 month, the girl couldn't stay there. Rent another one. After 2 months, she couldn't stay there. Naturally not there. We borrow my own mikoso. We bana all. Ever had it before, and never had it before. But more not here. More became not here. Rode the house on the order of Mazen Namdekano. I started the house. I look you know. He go in my pin, man, to my button. We finish the loan. But more not here. Rodia. Therefore, it's not getting to you. All we think soon now more about me, but because of this, you people are going to know little, just little, a pinch of it. More alolia, do such a now. Like when you other, see, Kikonso, na familia, Birebama.
Okay.
So that house was locked. Why? Because Diachoro handled Imo State and all Imo State. That's not your kind of Anambra, but the girl couldn't stay in Anambra. Uweporoma Umuikonso. Na to we bap for me here we bata the place ana bata olu onos no lo a bom na phone nsi aka eko mazi me ha gakwara school ta osimumba na ha no ibu lodi means na ha no na village ha mkpo nwanne dia si hafa umu peace no umu ge batara.
I have seen 2 consecutive comments asking him, is it your money? Did you use your money to build that house? He did not say he built it. He said that under the order of Master Mordecai, it's not his money. But don't say that, because the way you are saying it sounds like maybe somehow everybody that you give money to do something for you will do it. What about somebody that is close to us now? Okay, that people donated money. Just not even the account was open for Biafra, for the purpose of Biafra. Put the money in the account. He couldn't deliver. So I'm not saying that you should clap for this guy, but don't ask that question as if why would you say that? He's just telling that what they have done for the woman. That's why I said if that is true, then something is very, very wrong somewhere. It's very irritating now. How can you give money to your wife or to a woman, maybe your wife of your brother or something like that, and the person is sending that to her own family to build a house? Oh, for John, it's not a good thing. It's not a good thing at all. And the children are looking so tattered according to him. I'm just judging based on what he said. Okay.
Osim no nya for kwa. Mbochiga peace because say, why are you lying to me? Where are you? Osim na ha no. That means Hejero village.
I'm strong, I see you.
Nke ibu ahụ erentere has gone o. Ọ hapụ bịa. Machine akwụrụ ụgwọ ya has gone o. Ụgwọ akwụkwọ etiri ụmụ ya has gone o. Now she went to Olu. Olu akọ nọzi wee kwabazie Chika nwa Amụka Amara si ya n'onye idere ịkwụ ụgwọ ụlọ n'Owerri n'ọzọ Owerri ka ya chọrọ ibi. Onye nke a wee nye ya ego. I think according to Peace, I think 350,000 as a day. Ego ahụ nyere ya o jiri akwụdo ụgwọ ụlọ. She did not pay for the house rent. Ụmụ Biafra ọ bụ na ntụwasị Chineke nna taa m afụfụ. Ọ bụ na m na-ekwu eziokwu, Chukwu gọzie m, gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọzie ụmụ m, gọzie ụmụ m, gọzie generation m niile, ma ndị niile na-atụgide m asị ya generation gata afụfụ, unu gata afụfụ, ụmụ unu gata afụfụ. Ike dị n'okwu ọnụ. Okwu ekwuchara ṅụọ iyi.
Ọ dị ka this guy ọ dị ka mentor Eggman. Ka ọ ya na-mentor Eggman.
Gịnị mere? The guy nye the money. Kpọọnụ Chika Amụka Amara from Oregon in United States of America. Kpọọnụ ya, jụọ ya ma onye nwunye iko nsọ 350,000 ka rent ya nọ n'Owerri. Did nwunye iko nsọ rent the house? No. O werekwa the money mee gịnị? Divide ya n'ụlọ ha na-arụ na be ha. Ego ọbụla ndị mmadụ nyere m nye ya the girl. Ego ọbụla ndị mmadụ nyere m nye ya the girl. Ego ọbụla ndị mmadụ nyere m nye ya the girl. O welu one day wee sị agbaghị kamera na achọrọ m ịfụ my children because ya na-akpọ ụmụ iko my children. Precious wee gbaa kamera ewee mfu ụmụazị ya wee bewe akwa. Anya mmiri si n'anya na-adasịsị ebe m na-ene na ụmụazị ya. Ụmụazị akpọnye akwa ha enu agịrịga ha ịya agụ ya ọnụ. Upon millions awiri na account this girl. Ma nke na-enye ya, ma nke o ji aka ya na-ekonoko na ndị mmadụ, ma nke aṅụrị na-enye ya, ma nke Chikwado na-enye ya, ma nke Ifechi na-enye ya, ma nke Chidera na-enye ya. Hey! Many ụmụazị ya anya masị Chineke, what is happening? Nsị abịa ụmụ jikwa ahụ. Asị m na ha ji ahụ. Nsị enye ọntarachi fon, onye ọntarachi nsị ya, nna m kedu ihe na-eme ijikwa ahụ? Asị m nsị gị ihu dị otu udo dịkwa. Asị m nsị ọ na-erikwa na nri? Asị m na ha eriba nri. Enwe m jụọ mama ya sị ya why? Asị m na ha ejide ego, na ha nwere ego. David dem si agba kamera ka nke a na-eme ebe ọ nọ all this is na-eme bụ na.
Thank God that you understand when they sign it. That's why you understand.
Ọ na-agụkwa ego Chika Amụka Amara 350,000. Kpọkwanụ Chika jụọ onye nke amụ na abada ekwukwe. He may be whatever he is, but ask him on mkpọ afa jekwu na onye akpọ ya dịka ka nsi kpọ oke si na ego a that 360,000 keke sendel m no oke na account ya ka etiri oke eji arụ ihe gbasatara redio. Kpọọ na oke confirm mụọ Chika Amụka Amara is reachable. Type ya Prince Chika Amụka Amara, type na Facebook. Jụọ ya sị ya ma ọ kwụrụ nwunye iko nsọ ụgwọ ụlọ, o nyere ego ka ọ kwụọ ụgwọ ụlọ na Owerri ka ọ na onyeghị ego. Nwunye iko nsọ kwụrụ ụgwọ ụlọ no. Kedu ife o ji dị money mee? O ji ya wee na-eme gịnị na-arụ na be nne ya. Ọkụ ya jụọ ya wee gwa m sị m na nwanne nwoke na-arụ ụlọ n'olugo ebe ha ya eru ofu ya. Ewe m jụọ ya sị ya gịnị ka nwanne gị nwoke ahụ na-arụ? Ọ sị m na nweghị ya ọ na-eme na o nwere ọma na ọya nwa na-alụ dị ụlọ. O nwere ihe ọ na-eme na-alụ ụlọ. Amarago m na ego niile a na-enye ya n'ọya the boy ka ọ na-enye ya. Ụmụ iko so wee na-ata afụfụ. Ụmụ iko so wee kpọchacha nkụ. Ihe ọ na-emezi mgbe ha bụ ọgba kamera ọ chụrụ ụmụazị nọ na Facebook na-ayọgharị ndị mmadụ ego. Onye ego. People who send the golo ego to her bịa na-afụ ụmụazị ahụ iwe a na-ewe na-asị what is happening to these children? At a point, I now call Aṅụrị. Jọkpara nna iko nsọ kpọ ya sị ya biko na m fụrụ vidiyo ụmụazị ya na ụmụazị ya ejiri ahụ ụmụazị atachara m ahụ n'anya biko nole na ụmụazị anya ma ahụ kedu ihe na-emenụ. Aṅụrị wee sị my brother Prince nwanne m ịmakwa ego one m na-enye Precious. Ime ego one ndị mmadụ na-eweta na-enye Precious. At a point mụ na Aṅụrị nwere problem because of this girl. This girl bịa na-epochi m ọnụ. Not knowing the girl bụ a blatant liar. Ọ tụgburu onwe ya na ashị. O wee kụkọ mụ na Aṅụrị isi ọnụ. Ọ bịa kọrọ m Aṅụrị ji mee ihe ọjọọ, Aṅụrị ji mee ya nka, mama Aṅụrị ji kpụ ya asị, Aṅụrị ji kpụ ya asị, ụmụnne iko ji kpụ ya asị. This is what the girl was telling me. I was kind of reacting, asking Aṅụrị, nna m kedu ihe na-eme?
Because somebody don't believe this guy at all.
What is happening?
Believe at all. So
I'm going to say, I'm not just Mama Colonia, Bunye Junior
oh
body.
my goodness.
When case Munye Junior body, Hojo.
That's the obvious.
Okita. Now, come there, water. Because I'm going to say, not near now, for the not come and support to see the girl. The girl had the respect, angry. Or they respect Mommy Koso. Only Koso, the girl they respect. None of them at all. Biafra sing anunte. Unu ga no Muni Koso on this platform. Well, one day the girl will borrow Maza we better village. Angry ka we for the children we bewa kwa bawa. Umazi tacha ho diko ogwazu. Bruso si shishi. Those 3 children. Nka na gwazi uniketa na mezebe 2023. Umazi bruso si shishi. Umazi ada gas school o. Ha kwụsị gas school because okporo go have from here lebe na gas school wepụ nazi ọrụ n'ọrụ ahụ ha nọ they are not going to school all you precious na-emebe owuru ụmụazị ọgba kamera ayọ ndị mmadụ ego onye ọpụtara ọsị na ya bụ nwunye iko nsọ onye ha dashi ya ego onye ọpụtara ọsị na gịnị ka ijikwa na ego eme na be nna ya ka ọ na-ese ndị were na-arụrụ ya ụlọ ọmụa ọ gwara m na nwanne nwoke na-arụ ụlọ but mụnwa na-agbazi ụlọ na m jụrụ ya gịnị ka nwanne nwoke na-eme ọ sị na onwe ha ihe ọ na-eme ka ezi ka onye na-enwe ihe ọ na-eme ka o si alụ ụlọ bụ ọnụ precious jụọ ya na unu ji nọmba ya kpọọ ya jụọ ya si ya unu ji nọmba ya o nwere ka m mesi bịa kuku ọ distansi na-ekwekwa nnekwu m na-akpọ afa na-agwago date na-agwa ka o si wee mee ihe ọ dịziri unu bụ m bịa faba iji jụzie mee investigeshọn mara m ihe m na-ekwu ma eziokwu kọwashi ụmụ ikoso wee kwụsị gas school ewe nkusuo wee sị no that this will not happen. Angureka, I remember that the consul told me that in his absence I should not allow his children to suffer. Umi ikoso na tafufu kedi ha igeme nwanne nwoke nke no
finally makandi na that kwa message Maxwell Ebo said I believe him because the same girl have approached me on Facebook with 3 kids begging for money, which is what this guy is saying here. He actually mentioned that he's always begging for money. Begging people for money on Facebook. And if you give me the money will go to that house project. So let us not bring personal hate you have on him to judge him, misjudge him. Like it is good to open room for doubt. I understand, but sometimes you can also relate. Like this Maxwell is here, testifying that the guy, his own encounter. Antonio Meje, my brother, longest time. Hello, my brother, Kyle. Good evening from here. Good evening to you, one of the longest time. I greet you, Stanley. Oh, Soji, are you still alive? Are you still alive?
Pakistan, Anabu Fechi. With a more dindo on a watch program, steady. He may be on this live program now watching. This same precious cause of problem between Umunde Nabo. Nkana one the book na the opera cause all her problem because of your natural Nkanu and Pakistan against Angry. O mechara bangri ogu precious enough. That woman will not be devil call. I'm sorry to say this to my guy because you married a Jezebel. But I did not know on time. Oh, one now working car no Pakistan boy from Simoga presence here. Because I'm major. Naga potrami on the trachi. Because by then, the gain a threat in the Ziko Maza also. Biafrans, take note. Omoho onye village conso. Omoho onye village conso.
And I will knock.
This girl and precious. Omoho onye kindred conso. Mabe this girl and precious. Omoho onye clan, a clan. Somebody see from the same clan with the conso. My village, this girl. Omoho friend Ikonso, a friend, my village, this girl. Umwero family member of Ikonso, umunye ni chineke na kere hanino, chino for epota, my village, this girl. Only got confirmed me from the voice of one Ikonso. Nobody knew. So she was planning to run away because us Nadia no niya jimakiawe biawo mama wana. So for that, niaga chikoro mazi balaga. If you were born with someone named Zosem Nama,
there's any madonage.
And already Mazinan can have.
Can you imagine? Someone said, Joas is asking how can a Biafran be in Pakistan? Now, wow, really? Ogwana, get the worst country when Pakistan can't no US now. Get the worst. You got Biafrans there. Afghanistan, I never got a Google. Okay, I trophy myself. Ha! I was working. Or go another go to Ukraine now. So you go to visa free there. Okay, mama, the Ukraine guys, they have a job in there. If it's Russia guys, go get Ukraine to more than money. Because everybody's what if any made now? You know. I hope I go up with Biafran too, because you should know better. Kai, before you believe a betrayer, first he need to prove his innocence by providing the receipt of transaction. Truth must be told. From your comment, it means that you just join us. There was a time he showed his script on his phone, and he said that he's going to publish it. If you doubt, I don't know. I'm a kind of person that always give people, benefit of doubt. I do. Okay, but that doesn't mean that I have to sign that warrant to that I'm backing or supporting what they're saying. I will just give you time to see if you can prove that. And I don't allow my hate on anything to overwhelm my sense of reason, to take me over. I always make sure that I distance myself from that. Ogakai, good from Enugu. Hygienus, what do you mean by good from Enugu? I don't understand. But okay, maybe what you're saying, good evening from Enugu. Maybe let me just take it that way. Fidelia Ibokwe, Biafrans are everywhere in the whole world. That is the gospel truth, my dear. Anyway, we cannot.
Told me that everything that has to do with the council after Kikomucha, everything that has to do with the council, you will be in charge. My info the welfare of the children, everything that has to do with the council, it is you that will be in charge. Mazinan Kano didn't dog up for this video. Excuse me.
Exactly. Everyone, you must not believe everything. Rather,
so
use what you.
It now became
connect the dots.
A kind of tug of war between the family of Ikonso and the girl to release the child. To release the child for me. Umunnem Abumonye Enugu State. Abuimonye Imo State. Abuimu onye awomama. Abuimu onye umuoji. Aburum onye village kindred or clan Ikonso. Aburum, I'm not from Imo State. The risk of taking somebody's child in your custody is higher than whatever you think. According to the people that were accusing me, the risk is bigger than whatever thing you may think that you will get. If assume that some people want to carry somebody's child because it's only ego
Martin, I appreciate it.
I will shock you people today about things that you need to know. 1 minute.
I think you have not gone.
So,
honestly,
like I was saying,
we soon end it.
You know this life, you like anemia. Obuna ine mi hobby na akwụwa aka ọtọ. So that mbosobu ni nwe nsogbu ndị mmadụ amara ka a ga-esinyere gị aka. Ikonso was a honest man. Ikonso refused to take bribe. Ikonso refused to join Ebubago, Nimo State. That is why he was killed. He told me everything before he died.
Stephen, thank you.
I was honest with Ikonso. One name,
Nimo State. Michael,
but because of Obubando, when Ikonso were, God in do. I see him as my blood. He sees me as his blood. Al meje, I want mama. No na ki goes so 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. In this struggle, so mad nabo. Kama sige nja kamporo ebebe nam. Ikonso was the first person. Ikonso was the first person for ebebe nam. As a matter of fact, ono mun lolo. Ikonso se mdo sakwari one room no nam. Mbopo na obira bem na that room ya bu nke say go and choose any of the room. Ikonso to one room aka se mu ne kwa no room aka ya ga na no me ya bem. Now let's go more room before Ikonso anwo. No before I joined the struggle. Because some na me nya one room here. Say Ikonso kwa room ge ba.
In my phone, you emphasize that.
Little did I know.
In my phone, you emphasize that. No, I understand before I joined the struggle. My dear mama, on the job got opposite. Before I quick it, I know struggle. Okay, man, also then. Hygienist, male looking of this story, he is saying the truth. Kai, good evening from Enugu. Well done, sir. And I greet you, my brother. Yes. It depends. You know, you don't need to force anybody to believe it or not. You understand? But everyone have right to choose what they want. So give people chance to do what they want, as long as they will not stop you from your own. Okay, Zika from comedy, but I don't want to bring it up. All the song have fun, is it? I don't. How can you compare it with Mobad, please? Now for you. In I go too far.
That the Ikonso ga-emecha bụrụ onye nwụrụ anwụ mụ na nwunye ebiri because na village m kịta kpọrọ nwa Ikonso na village m na that room ahụ Ikonso sị m this is my own room ọkwa ebe a ka nwa ya ga-alarụ na-ata afụfụ n'isi nwa onye ọzọ na-etake risk n'isi nwa onye ọzọ Chinasa Nworu eyuzo Chibuzo egwu atọ wee na-eme m attack na-asị na m na-akpọrọ nwa Ikonso ka m nwee ike iji wee na-enweta ego amụrụ m ego one m ji nwa Ikonso wee na-enweta ụmụ Biafra para n'otule amụrụ m ego one m ga-eji nwa Ikonso wee nweta tupu m join ọ struggle ụmụ Biafra arụ na m n'elu ruo n'ala gbaa moto ụkwụ gbaa moto nta nwee registered company na function ji obodo oyibo nata ree ụlọ na Dubai erere m ụlọ na Dubai nweta ezigbo ego eji m ya eme ọnụ. What I am doing to the family of Ikonso, Chinasa Nworu 10 billion cannot do it because the risk alone of taking charge of somebody's child is greater than anything. Imokwe kpọrọ nwa mmadụ gị na ebiri ukwu kpọ nwa ha ọgwụ maka a ga-aje esi ya but ama m na ndụ m na Ikonso the two tides. Enwero any family member of Ikonso that knows my house. As I'm talking to you people right now, I'm talking about the village where I come from. But the trust family no. The trust the family will have been no the too huge. Now. The moment things over at that compound, every child in that compound will come and surrender me. Brother Prince, I knew. I spent money. They love me a lot. I don't know any one of you, any of Ikonso family or any Obonabonye village Ikonso Joya, who is President, they will tell you. That is by the way. Back to Ikonso. The little girl, Precious, started having problem with the family of Ikonso because of those children. Then they decided that I should carry these children. Precious we Oromazi we also we la village ya Bayelsa. Na mada ya napukuya jobaria bona traji. Nsia mboya say I am not begging for you to give me the child. All the nni agwa ma hapukania and two umunni akwuru say mkporia based on ihe nwanne ha nwoke ga na-akpọ Chikwado Ikonso mbodi ndọkwakwara ya agwasi ya nekwa prince unafuru onye onwe ka o si wee digwechi niile biko jidesie na onye ike na onye mmadụ Chikwado can confirm that. Oya kpatara ha mara be m na m ha mara ebe m si ha mana m bụ onye Enugu no the struggle bụ ihe jikọrọ m na Ikonso because afọ m ya n'anya fubigi oke ya mafọ m n'anya fubigi m oke. At the end of the day get we Oromazi we na village nke yanwa dịka Ikonso si gwa m Ikonso si m na from the girl bụ onye Bayelsa or si m na from city ebe esi banye ụgbọ mmiri were luzie na village the girl na ụgbọ mmiri speedboat ga-agba 2 hours n'elu mmiri before you na village this girl.
Okay,
that is what he told me. Also,
okay. Now it's not making sense. The girl boy Bayelsa, I was actually expecting that it's from Imo State. Boy Bayelsa. Okay. For only Bayelsa's in the house, I'm not after you. I don't know anything about Bayelsa, but I'm just saying that I was thinking that okay. Don't know. Okay.
A speedboat got about 2 hours according to Yawa. The day he went alone. But so did you don't money see this girl because the cost of money where you don't see this girl as why on no. It's just that my baby uncle.
Samuel, this is your comment. Yeah. If they ask you to provide evidence, what would you do?
Also, no. The first house in the Tirania. Happen the second one. Egoni nenyere ko we mepe shop. O makosu we made the money. Then now olo dana chika mo kamera ego no cholija akwụgwọ no. Onwe ko ihe oja we me. If the girl be say this is confused because obviously na esusu si na ebizi ndo ojo. Asonye dia na anoro. Na ebi ndo ojo. The family na afu the movement here go saga. Biafrans, the shocking thing about this girl is that now this girl Oromazi ahụ na lobe ha. Kpọọ na phone sị na na village ha now. Nsi ha na village or some yes. Nsi okay. Gịnị meziri ịchọghịzi obe ụmụnne di gị mee ihe asị gị mee. Ọsị mba na ama mmedikwu ya over her dead body will she release her child. Nsi okay na good and fine. After that, my discussion with the girl, the next day, he comes away kutuwe ya nana. Yama Jackie at bomb now.
You know, I have not, listened to this part, this side, no. For some of you in the say, you want to be judge, you want to be police in every case. I see some of you on comment section. Every minor issue, you want to give the best answer. Like Samuel said, they know that he is the one that buy the console. He said, I will provide it. You provide it. I hope you, if truly you have the evidence, please, can you share it with us? Do you mind? If yes, I will send you a link now. If it's private, you let me know, then I'll send you a number. Do you understand? Because it catch you. So I see put the guy Ibuya. Okay? Learn how not to say what you are not supposed to say. Make sure you have evidence, because thought. Chukwemeka, Michael, okay, just join. And no problem. Maybe later you can go back and listen to that because it is interesting. You do not. That woman can do anything for money and can never stay with one man. Mankind. In our own work, hey, why, no matter how guy man each and able, you need to calm down. You need to calm down and think. Look at anyway, can I know this? So this part is interesting, very interesting.
O si na o mepere ọnụ ụzọ si n'ụmụ na napụta otu iko ụzọ kụọ ya kutuo ya. The girl daa fenti onwetara onwe ya ebuji ụlọọgwụ. Peace ka m na-ekwu okwu ya peace. Abụrụ m ka eke onda na Chinasa Nworu na Chika Austin na Ebeka Gift na ma concord rubbish and post outside. Una na akụrụ ha aka. A na agwa with fact and figures. Jụọ ya mgbe iko so siri ya kantị situo ya n'ala. The girl ekwuru okwu until ọnọgide n'ụlọ ọgwụ emegide revive ya. The girl binie chagasị anya si kede bịa na si anọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ. The girl senior phone, enye phone. Ole phone kpọm. Sim Prince Lee. Nse gị ndị a. Osim Prince anwụchana mo. Nse gị ndị a. Osim na iko so chọrọ igbu m. Nse gị ndị a. Osim biko bịa kpọrọ Natarachi. Ụmụ Biafra ihe a m kwuru kịta abụrụkwa na-asị otu a nsikwe na ọ bụrụ otu a ka o si nekwa na ose ọjị. Ọ na-ekwu na-aṅụ iyi na-ata ose ọjị. Na-ekwu na-aṅụ iyi nekwa na ya. Ọ bụkwa na ọ bụrụ otu a ka o si wee mee. Chineke nna bi n'eluigwe wepụ ndụ m n'ike mana ọ bụrụ na otu a ka o si wee mee ọ ga-ewepụ ndụ ndị niile na-agba m mgba na dị strọgụ na-akpọ m afọ ọjọọ na-atụgide m achị ka eke ụda na ndị otu ya nwa akpụda ka eke ụda ọ ga-ebunata gị n'ozu n'obodo a lee ya anọziri m onwe m on my own. The girl kpọọ m sị m I should come and carry this boy na iko so chọrọ igbu ya.
ụmụnne m na-afụgọnụ na Samuel Jackson said that there's evidence. I don't know the number of evidences with him. Now, first evidence is this. The proof is this criminal called Simon Ekpa. Is this what I asked you? I just told you if you have, say yes, you can share it publicly. Then I send you a link, you come and share it. If it's private, you let me know. I'll send it number, you share it. Unless if you don't have, then why don't you maintain your peace? Because anyone that will watch the video later will see your comment that this guy died in guns. I don't know anything about his death. So, but since you can open your mouth publicly and say can you also back it up? If not, why don't you just maintain your peace? This is not life. This is not life.
That's a Nworu times 10 million. This struggle will not fall. Birthday of me for I spent money. That was a warning that you must obey my will and take my child back to his father's land and do as I ask. This is the word of Nwunye Consor. Osim na mana no ebe onye ike say yes no onye ike ka o osim mubiko mu bia kpọrọ nwa ya nwoke mbia kpọrọ onye nka ka ya jideze ndị nke obere ndị nke ọzọ ọnụ because already I have my own children. Ụmụ Biafra amụtara m nwoke amụtara m nwaanyị kana amụchabeghị m. It was going to be a burden for me to accept another person's child with my own children. But I swallowed everything and took it upon myself. Ihe nwunye ikoso na-akpọ mbụ nna anyị, ihe precious na-akpọ m peace yo na-akpọ mbụ nna anyị. Esi m nna anyị biko ikoso ga-egbu m. That is to tell you that the man himself I na-ekwu okwu ebe odogwu chọrọ ka mụ na nwa ya nọrọ maka ọ mana mụ na nwa ya nọrọ na m ga-elekọta nwa ya anya ọfụma. It's not all about money this time around. It is about moral upbringing. One what money about no brain near the door. It's not possible.
What's not
Guinea women.
Where could that in?
Or else na tomorrow Niana or Maza Hanata woman. Camot upon Natalia Chiquado, Cachiquado, but I'm the boy. Man, ya ujada out here, Naman, this boy, Namaniana Bonro, now game off man, that I will not treat him bad. Nyamonyambo. Because within that period of time, and my feet go steady, and the guy wasn't happy. Mpoko pressure say, and my fuka digi or they're happy with you until you swear you for Hosuria or send that wrong way. The metazier, Chukado, what Ramon Trachi. Odo mana. On ma move forward. Ana to give them mother say it will get to a time that no ya hina to give that say ya hina kuma ke mecha bola as ndị mmadụ chọpụta na asị gị nwa na nwogo na-atụ asa he nwere ozu onwezo ofu mkpụrụ okwu ị ga-ekwu n'ụwa ka ndị mmadụ believe onye na-ekwu eziokwu because they will see you as a liar. KK Oda is a blatant liar. Chinasa Nworu is a chronic liar. Chika Austin is his own fabrication is too much. Akpọrọ nwa iko so kpọtara m oge nwa iko so bịara be m nwa iko so bụ ọya wee bebe m. The boy was sick. No wonder the boy was getting slain. Korokoro juru ya n'ike. Are spoiling this struggle. You want to destroy this struggle.
Wait.
Anyị ebidokwa akwụkwọ ụna kpọchikatara m nwatakịrị. That is why adịm akpọ DOS na nwa iko so na-eje akpọrọ golu m nke dị ọkpara na mụ na ya biri bad. Nya ma onye mbụ mbịala anya n'elu anya na because within that period of time and my feet go steady and the guy wasn't happy.
So I wanted to
British broadcast the risk is bigger than whatever thing. Say yeah he na-ekwu maka emecha bụla asị ndị mmadụ chọpụta
somebody's
ụmụ Biafra akụkọ juru nkata ji ụkpa mana aga na-asa Nworu na ndị otu ya na one person forget about my stubbornness.
Just hold on.
Nya ma onye mbụ.
Now let me pause it. There's somebody that want to respond sharply before you go. You know my own. I don't keep my own tomorrow. Kai, you said don't believe this. No, were you there or do you know Ikon's wife? Oluchi. Okay, not or whatever is that. I don't know what you mean by that. My brother or my sister, what do you know? Because I can bet anything you don't know anything about this thing. You don't know anything about it. Nothing. Did I tell you that I know Ikon's wife? Did I even tell you that I know anything here? I don't understand your comment, but please. Make sure that you quote me right. If you want to say something, just say it. Say what I said. Okay? And some of you commenting, oh, that he's cursing PM. He's what he said about PM. It's not about what he said PM. We are not here talking about what he said about PM. You know, I noticed something about our people. We always have this notion, this belief that somehow we know what to do. We can do it. We know everything. Can you also just try to be matured for once? Somebody said they accuse and curse. I don't understand. I've seen that again. Please, I am lost about that issue. Did I say that he cursed anybody or cursed anything? Oh, he said accused, not curse. Which part are you talking about, Obi-Wan? Because we are not the only one that said that. But I don't understand where you guys are talking about. Please, since you can hear him, please take what he said, okay? Forget about what I said.
Because within that period of time,
Presley and I see you, my sister. Welcome.
And the guy wasn't happy. Mpoko pressure say, I'm happy with you until you swear you for Hosuria
Oh, sorry, my brother. Amy, sorry.
Emechazie. Chikwado wekpọtara m ntrachi. Unu mana ọ na-ema mgbe ụfọdụ a na-atụgide mmadụ asị, it will get to a time that na onye ahụ na-atụgide asị ihe ahụ na-ekwu maka emecha bụla asị ndị mmadụ chọpụta na asị gị nwa na nwoke na-atụ asị ahụ onwezi ofu mkpụrụ okwu ị ga-ekwu n'ụwa ka ndị mmadụ believe onye na-ekwu eziokwu, because they will see you as a liar. KK Oda is a blatant liar. Chinasa Nworu is a chronic liar. Chika Austin is his own fabrication is too much. Akpọrọ nwa iko so kpọtara m. Oge nwa iko so bịara be m. Nwa iko so bụ ọya wee bebe m. The boy was sick. No wonder the boy was getting slain. Korokoro juru ya n'ike. Amụ ya ebe o ji anyụma mmiri. Onye papa okpuru iki ya apapa ahụ nwatakịrị niile gwụrụ agwụ. As a matter of fact, I transferred that disease to my son. And you can picture the door of them. And you can picture Msere Ahuyadi. The door of them. I kept all those records. That was 2 years or 3 years ago. Because Oburi immediately because someone will come for the boy. No. It wasn't immediately. It was after a year plus that I took charge of the boy. So all this 1 year plus, they were not going to school because they were with the mother, and the mother will have home as now. But they will go now a mihediamma. Because of Kunu Juena Abam Saga. Unuge kweta no na-eme. Mụ abụ 1 million buleze mmụọ aka m niile ofio ọbụla gịnị mesịrị at the end of the day I spent no less than 120 something naira ka m na-agwọ the boy ka m na-agwọ nwa m nwoke because ha abụọ na share the same bed, ha abụọ na use the same towel. Mgbe m bịa mechazi ka m bịa after ka m bịa gwọcha ha ka m bịa separate their towel, gotori ya towel. Ha abụọ na use the same bathroom, ha abụọ na anọ steady. Na-agwọ nwa iko nsọ, na-agwọ nwa m nwoke because of na mama ha peace was not able to take care of these children. This is somebody that more than 4.something million to 5.something million entered into her account. Nke mwa kana account for man nke amuri kwa m na-enyere ya ma nke ndị na ha sendeli ego agwa m na ha sendeli ego. Akịrịkpa ntukantu onya junwe ya arụ. The boy was not looking well. I have the picture. It was a coffee mmecha program a ton picture we go so go be eba. Go see na akịrịkpa ntukantu obu ebe obo na mama na take care of him of ma. Obo na peace na take care of na treasure of ma. Obo na peace na Jega na enye we na enye umazi anli. The child will not be in that mess. At the end of the day, what happened? I now call the small boy. See,
it seems like you know very, very well.
Does your mommy feed you people at all? Or say mumba? Not so biscuit. Ka mommy hane enye. The mommy hane go gote biscuit. Or buy the ya tia na mmiri buy ya mmiri ọkụ nye ha. No ya bụ nni ụtụtụ ha. Ya bụ nni abalị ha. Sometimes I go in the this is somebody and millions upon millions upon millions. Keke odi nechacha manya. Gina kuna nka na Italy. Sorry, nka no UK. Se na afia boge chukwu. Divorcee. Muka siri nwa ọmụrụ nwoke nka nwoke nka nwa. Unu were m na agbacha egusi. Ndị mmadụ na-akpọ na platform. Darlington is wicked. Darlington is this. Return those children. Return this. Nene ndị anya. Nene these people anya. People who doesn't have common sense, who doesn't have human feeling. Na papa ndị a, papa ụmụazị anwụrụ anwụ. What they want is to do was to use the child to get to my location, and I denied that access. That is the problem. Biafrans try to understand. I told the family that listen. Onye akpọtara this boy, mgbe ọbụla unu chọrọ ịfụ ya, gbanye the camera unu afụ ya. Peace. More than nature, if buy camera, if and this boy has been talking to the mother from the day he came here on video. Immediately the boy better him watch out your now in a school. School until private school. School until this boy go private school. The first school fees up on that school, everything put together was 185,000. Everything put together. Private school or government school. The same school one working go, the other go, come when we go so picture. The boy is the gas school. The first day of that school, I have it with me. I forwarded it to the mother. The mother saw it. Or Gama school the next morning with lunchbox and everything. Kid, you off my mom and phone say your son is going to school. See him. The woman now worries. Hey, Prince Chineke mga gozigi. Hey, Namuku Chukuga gozigi. Nai. Hey, if you can't touch him, hey, on the Chamacha no numma, Honatarachi, or say ma, or say hey, or na daddy the metal of ma, or say hey, I don't want to get emotional because oh my boy, look at that.
Okay, let us just end it. Let's just end it here. Let me just end it.
Because the mother will happen now, but I will go. I'm not going with fact and figures.
If you want to, I don't know if Madam Origin is around. If you want to comment anything, just let me know in the comment section so I can send the link. If you want to say something, please let me see on comment section before I don't want to send a link. I started waiting for nothing, please. If you want to say something about what the program, let me know because I think we have spent 2 hours. So let me just. We have not finished it too. I think we are about to get to the middle of the video. Like I told you, it's a very long video. Very long video. So I'm just trying to observe from the comment section. Let me see if there's anyone to let me know.
The girl until make the revive for her. The girl will be near. The girl senior phone, or the phone bomb. Sim Prince Lay. Say again there. Or some Prince Amuchana mo, say again there. Or sim Nikoso Cholibum, say again there. Or sim Biko Biaporona Tarachi. Line always. This is how Habina or low. Or Moke. Dosa have or Biri. On another Zimego, when you Moke. Because of Moro. Afuba Muni Kosanya, one-on-one like this. So Mbete be a dibazie somehow for the lady because money is no longer coming. Duma wena agwa msim niaga like kwa nebia. Ebe mbi. Ke abia no nyelo o natarachi nwu ya. You say no. You are not coming anywhere. You can't come where I am. It's not possible. But if we more nature, get a more than a piece afuba we about the trash more than 40 times. Get it 40 times, because 40 times or 40 times, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more than 50 times on camera. Have I know steady. Chineke ya George Ham. Have one full stage on birthday the boy. Oh yeah, on the phone. Yana the boy you for the guy. Who wish you happy birthday. This is a woman that was crying, telling the world that na came with princess Oromwaya. Ni afube honwaya anya. Ihe abi ihe chibuzo egwu atụ. Keke oda na Chinasa Nworu boro the woman tinye n'isi si ya kwuo. Adịmazọ nwa mmadụ. Agbogom the family.
Oh, that. So, my sister, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Yes, Mazikai, there.
Good evening to you. You're welcome.
Good evening. I greet everybody. You'll be surprised why I wouldn't have said anything until ready, but something you said that made me want to say some, kind of a rebuttal on what you said.
Okay.
You know, Ikonso, may his soul rest in peace.
Yes, sir.
A lot of people say he should continue to stay awake until he finishes his enemies. I don't know which one is which. But for a man that devoted his life, that is what we've been talking about. People have lost their lives for freedom, for the freedom of both his own freedom, the freedom of his children, the freedom of everybody he loves, and so he paid the utmost price. And here we are, you know. That brings me to the submission I want to give. And that is on your statement. You said, no matter how much a guy man you are, I like that. No matter how much a guy man you are, you need to calm down and think before you marry. I have advice for women, but today I'm going to please a disclaimer. I'm not a marriage counselor. Neither do I want to become one day, because it's very complex. Our life is complex. And I'm not a pastor to tell anybody what to do with their lives or how to do it. I'm not here to tell anybody how to do your life. But I'm taking note of, for you men, I'm taking a note from what your fellow man said. No matter how much a guy man you are, when it's time for marriage, you need to calm down and you need to think. Very important. The world has sold marriage. You know, a whole lot of lies have come. And there are so many lies surrounding marriage. So many lies. And one of them is this thing they call love. And they sell love in such a way that people sell their brain to buy that love. And once you sell your brain to buy that love, number one, I tell you, I guarantee you're finished. Because what you must have is your brain. Get your brain together. One of the things, marriage is a journey of the heart. It's not a journey of feelings. And all these things they call love, it is emotions. It has nothing, zilch. It has nothing to do with love. It has nothing to do with love. When you carry your emotions, and to be honest, I have to apologize to men before I say this, because a lot of you are going to be angry. Most men, a lot of them that get into wrong marriages are because there's a level of insecurity. They feel insecure. They want to have a beautiful woman that will stay by their side, and all of that. At the end of the day, you just get yourself in trouble. Look at this. And not every woman is a marriageable woman. If you put that in your head, then you will take the advice of Mazekai, that you must sit down and you must think. And you must ask yourself, is this a marriageable one? And I feel so sorry. I feel bad for a lot of our heroes. I don't know how they got into, maybe they married women, emotional women, that clouded it in the name of love. First of all, if I can correct the meaning of love, love go to everywhere. Everything they call love now is emotion. The only place I found the definition of love is in the scriptures. The Bible says God is love. God is love. That means the character of God, the everything that revolves around him is love, and that is selflessness, that is giving himself, that is, you know, a whole lot of things that go with it. Patience, endurance, all of that. And you look at all these women, they are so impatient. They will tell you, if you love me, buy me a house. If you love me, buy me gold ring. If you love me, all kinds of crazy things. Why am I saying this? I'm saying it because I don't want to really concentrate or talk about particularly our beloved Ikonso that paid the ultimate price. And I hate the fact that now he's gone, a lot of things is coming out from his family, which is not supposed to. When you marry an Amazon will protect your image even after you are gone. And I think I'm going to rest it there. I don't want to say much. Masekai, are you there?
Yeah, I am here. I'm trying to reply Oluchi that is trying to distract me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank God that you noticed that my little advice. I'm happy for that. God bless you. Oluchi are God. You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you.
You're welcome, sir.
Who will be this Oluchi here?
No, it's not on your own Oluchi, it's another person.
Okay, Margie.
You're welcome, sir.
Actually, yeah, well done. We have a very long meeting.
I noticed that.
A long one. Even I have skipped the meeting to speak to, this our, Oga Kota 2 times now. Defense. So, but the thing is, yeah, I just want to say, because I didn't actually know the topic, but I had a sister talking, and I saw what you are playing. This particular person, Darlington. This is the guys, we used to follow. We like what they do. At a time, their problem becomes Simon. They left Biafran what we are supposed to fight for. All of them face Simon. Why did they face Simon? Because he came. But Hamadike saw what they don't have. He saw it in Obatobi. Yes, no. This is my beloved son in whom I am pleased with.
Yeah.
He has watched these mediocres according to DPM. They got nothing. He had after money. Ego ejigbo ndị Igbo today, ndị Igbo is worthless. Ihe eji mara ha wee ego. Onweghị onye chi dị free, just money. So after all those things, they conspired. The same thing that is going on today. They conspired. Remember what they're doing to DPM now. They say he doesn't know this person. In short, it's not a new story. He doesn't know men on the ground. He doesn't know nobody. He doesn't know the same thing they did to Simon. Where are your men? Where is your men? Where did you have it? He said every day at the back of police station, they are parading men, he said, until he fought. February, if you recall, we just delete them finally. Now, you see what these people have done, have resonated IPOB again. What Ogenkere and Co. and Raphael and Adajo Rama, because of their stupidity, because of their, I don't know the English to use for them, they made these people to come out again. When Ada was talking about it, did you hear him talk about Abanyim? When he was warning Nigeria, is giving him warning against about Agbayi. What does that tell? It means Agbayi, the hitman of DOL, is working with Raphael. He's working with them. And these people will come out and begin to lie to our people. He come at every that don't know whatever his man is telling how Abatobiye will come and disgrace all of us, disgrace DPM, disgrace USB. When nobody now PM at least he will come out and go and sit down first. Then watch things go on. Now they have started the same thing. Let me tell you, when we hear Kellen always say in his platform, what's saying? When men undermine the truth, there is consequences. My brother, this is, I'm not going to call anybody, but Akinhemege Okigwe, before the last place the military will set their foot on is Okigwe. That time you see Musa is crying and crying, oh, international community, come and help us, Senate, we need your help, we can't fly. Mazi, all those, that action Okigwe and all. Today, these people are running Dr. Ngozo Rabeze, Dr. Ngozo Rabeze. How happens there the fight for our own freedom? He face all Dr. Ngozo Rabeze. Dr. Ngozo Rabeze. Many of them now who is talking about even him again our play. No, even look at this foolish woman na Onwa Ishocha. Lately, Nara Nato or Izelara final. What is saying against a DPM? Look at even Mazugo. Look at the kind of thing he's telling him openly. You see, here the same thing DOS. They left the fight, they first individual. Today, happy to play again. When Ohamadike Kuruse, Okigwe and Olu must not fall. But as I'm talking to you now, when men undermine the truth, there is consequences. Because they came, they swore. Allah had the same land has that is guarding Biafra, the same land that they said they are swearing to that is protecting them. It is the same land they are desecrating. How much chance there? Come by inside every day. Generals now put one now audio now put face to face. They are Nigeria. They no get more. They have money now. They have money. Ohamadike has said the countless times, and when war chest, worth billions. So if these people have, let me tell you, USB, these people have USB have caused them. Apology to anybody. I'm not calling anybody name, but you see that singular act. I told you before that in here, in how magazine are defend, they are defending their own self. I can't reach at all. They no longer defend Biafras. They no longer know what is happening. Before, how dare you? When Nagramulo last year October, Iptanu Okigwa, when the Onya myself, Imana Wuro Kukulas, HME were military. How am I more here? Fear from Enugu Agram down to road. Gotcha, how move about more those roads. But when if you hold their fear to Enugu to where they always watching. They say it to you. If these boys come out, everybody's gone. Today, Simon Ejide Simon, instead of them to stand firm and defend the land. Ohamadike say, if about does everywhere that Okigwe and Olu should not do, because when spiritual something they linked to Okigwe and Olu. Today, the same people we trusted happens the defense of the land. Hana fighting one big of man America. My Biafra. Tell me what Dr. Ngozi will lose. Just tell me. So Biafra, are you sure now you onwe be there? But all what she have labored for in states or Ghana happy. Then people are now fighting for people they are fighting for not in a homeland. Name things that is unimaginable. Today, the house in Ulo our brother. Abon Goye make up. This is the same person. That their inability to acknowledge United States of Biafra. They deny that Simon did not confirm it. This is what Simon planned for almost a year, and people are gaffing that inability for them to acknowledge USB. One is good, okay, I cause more damage to them. I am being honest to you, I'm not causing anybody. But you see, this singular act, Ogadre are very, very dangerous because Obatobie will fought hard to get to this place. So if they have done this, acknowledge USB, or go to no pretense. But are they not calling where they went to? Are they supposed to do that? Ebe hokporo na openly. So webe ya no. Ndị a nwere ha aga makwada village n'Ebonyi. Ari ndị n'ebe ahụ aga kill ha. So ke ihe ọ ga-eji pụta we be telling pụta na YouTube ya sị na ihe a webe ya no. Ya akpọ aha dị ebe ọ nọ na that place ebe ọ nọ na Ebonyi State. Or is in your water military nation behave? He said it. Now. So beginning Ms. Rocky Igwe, they are pushing Dr. Ngozo Arabeze. Ina request ha wure Guinea Ms. Rocky Igwe. Ebe ko na achware ha, but before ha no intact. Ebe ko gabia nwoke Igwe. He can't. When men undermine the truth, there is consequences. In here, woku kelena, ekwesiri may immortalize that word. Mas, let me tell you, whether you're a man, whether you're a woman, that's the one word my father told me as I was growing up. Also, my son, whether you're a Christian, whether you're not a Christian, that's a stage you will get to in life, Kai. Here, you will always say the truth. It doesn't matter whoever holds your life. It doesn't matter whoever is involved. When you could change, my father said, turn back and go home. I challenge the matter because you said it. No. Don't. Madam, we can say you are lying. My father said, just go home. You ask you go home. But the important, did you say the truth? Ask you go home. So you see the whole proper. Look at the Darlington. After how many years? Le Queen Hoberako. Ne rubbish. Somebody, all these people na YouTube up and down. When you put a make Oga of Oga. Did they not know? Young lead the Gehanine. So, but up odd Hannah, her message authority. Someone Dr. Ngozo had a birthday. Chinas and Wood, Anna we can come have a project in the Bugam Madi, Ken Gurago. Chinas and Wood, it have been his antecedent from the first Don Hamadike discoverer, no groom, DM, Dead Man Squad, hand on Ebonyi State. You know, announcement to a minute. He never went well with that guy till today. The first set of a Bubago, Dave Mahim, Dead Man Squad. They are still killing till today. They went and had meeting with Osari Dokubo. They handed everything over to him today. None of these people that is fighting Dr. Ngozo can proudly organize Osari Dokubo. My video openly how he helped Tinubu to keep Biafra up from my Ihiana. Did you not see that? So why is people not using that? Why are they not playing it? Every day, what we ask Dr. Nguza Robeze, Dr. Nguza Robeze, which template, Rosette template or Batobia with the truth. Igba people with the truth. They go by the truth. So it's very, very painful. Even what they were doing in Ohamadike State. I watch it in that border place. Now, the person, that man is involved, he's going to create his own this thing to become governor in the same Ohamadike. Can you just imagine, Kai? Is it not chaos? This is what we are dealing with as Biafrans. Nobody. Even when you are not doing the right thing, you don't want to be, you want to continue to do the wrong thing. The same Nigerian mentality, holding on to power. If you are not here, you want to, just like Adandojo, if you are not on top, you want everybody to go down. My brother, I want to conclude because as I'm talking to you now, I'm sweating because long meeting. But the thing is, if anybody by now does not know what truth is or have not seen the truth, well, all in 2 weeks' time, by God's Chukwokika Obatobia will show up. Maybe Oworona hang with a good bargain. He will go home and sit down and watch and see Ndini Nako Hanako. With after Harafe have destroyed from Finland, go be no destruction to date. Up to he's telling us how Obatobia will now work. Look at Abaim. Abraham is working with them. Adando to said it is giving him warning. They should, when you open the can of worm for him, he's working. Look, they just went and grouped DOS back again. And they are deceiving our people, deceiving multitude of Biafran. People are European, when they talk to people, they don't know where they stand. They don't know who they hear. They don't know if Dr. Ngozi, they don't know if it's okay. Just is mixed reactions. Nobody, apart from some people, majority maybe. But is it supposed to be so? So my brother, I thank you people for your resilience. I thank you people for every other thing. People stood strong, stood firm. Everybody, they want to use Dr. Amaham, what this lady have done to them. If she don't agree with you, if you give me leadership now, let me say, Dr. Ngozi call me tomorrow. Say, make I take over. Make she just go rest. So you are telling me now that I will not make a change? Well, now maybe 1 or 2 changes now. You have you seen any government to do that? You have to make a change. In spite of I will work with what she has put up, I'm getting 1 or 2 change. So my brother Mazim has somebody gain which has credibility. The person put a talk or when how 2 people she there's everybody topic. What is everywhere. And how was this causing born again now? What was it? Anako. Mazi, we are going home, whether anybody likes it or not. If we are going, people who don't want to go, they can stay behind. So,
all right. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, I really appreciate it. But before you go, let me just say something before you go.
Okay,
based on
please.
The issue of what. Who is this? Oye Kashika, let me mute you. Sorry. Now, the issue of what maybe you go 247 and why you social copying that and using that to run her mouth on her platform and all that is expected. Do you understand? So it shouldn't be anybody that is complaining about why you social using that. That means you are yet to know who why social is. So
my apologies.
Nobody needs it's normal.
Yeah.
And what you see, Mas Namono, a lot of people don't want to work with him. Forget about Hamadike or Hamadike, Oyedu Masakan, how many of them actually see him as Oyedu truly?
Yes, you are right. Yeah.
That Masakan will have more people calling him Oyedu, see him as Oyedu now because he's in prison. He's in detention.
Yeah.
Once Masakan comes out now, then you see another group questioning him.
I'm telling you.
You see, they are waiting now. They're not talking. They don't post. They don't comment. They don't grant interview now. Once the day you hear Masakan, Masakan, thank God, Masakan is out. So Masakan, the celebration, everybody will celebrate. Give it 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yes.
Who is this guy? Who is this one? You are not my God, okay? Masakan, you are nobody. I'm telling you gospel truth.
Yeah.
So
right.
I don't know why some of us are having this kind of high BP because of one person is stuck. The only thing you need to know, the only thing I want us to know, that's why what I focus on, the truth.
Yeah.
Any situation, I want to know everything about that topic first.
Yeah.
Then the judgment is entirely your business. The way you judge it, the way I will not group you where you belong. If you know the truth and decide to group, twist this to suit your own narrative, automatically I already know where you belong.
Yeah.
Now, why is such a even you now that is talking now? If why you should know your name, just that you are coming here, just that you are coming here and you say that because of the CS is to getting it right. Of course, you are one of the topic. That's why I said for you, and that is her own. Her own job is to make sure that nobody achieve anything.
Yeah.
Until we need to see that, we will always come back. Oh, why you said don't do this? You guys are giving why you said topic. Whether you give it or not, she will have topic. The topic is to make sure that nobody move anywhere. She holds you ransom. That is what they are giving. That's what they have assigned her for that. For me to come out and say that any group that have this woman, that group is you are bound to fail.
It's doomed.
You are doomed to fail. There's no. If you like, you bring Obama to 100 as a leader, or bring Donald Trump as a leader. Why should is there? Even if she don't need any other thing today, she start telling that this your leaders are wearing oversights. It's a problem. It's topic. So that's what I see her just to catch fun. I don't. My friends that USB government should, as they're working, they should just, you know what I mean. That's what gladdens people's heart to see, which is protecting our land. That is so. And they're doing their best based on the attack going on them, because some of this attack, of course, will hinder good things they're supposed to do.
Yeah,
you understand? There's a time some of them will come to me and say, "As a kind report, you are supporting madam. Your madam, she's paying you money." If I look at when I look at you, I will be like, this one self, your people are having blocking nose, your own is blocking brain. You understand? So I don't need to pay much attention on you because I already know where you are coming from. So if you are here watching this program and you are shivering because why you still want to say something, that means you are still not there. You don't know who Why-Uche is. We don't know her. Somebody that statement alone. And you red pen go there for you understand? You are a member of cabinet. The cabinet then gave money to Butozo. You said to my hearing that truly they received the money, but they can't get again, man. Also, you go to boss again. What if you get I have to. I think it's again. So please let us understand that. But thank you so much. Thank you, sir. I appreciate your time. Oye Kachika Alo, unmute your mic. Are you there? Oye Kachika Alo, are you there?
Oh. Hello?
Yes, you're welcome.
God. There was a Biafra and American. I think I'm coming out loud.
Yes, and I'm living a cough, man. If I was going to put on more.
Joanna Habalekana Nkegi. More teaching in your device because some of your device is the same with me. Ema Kungrenwa is
At all.
ndị niile ma ọ na-adị isi anyị nwee gụfụta ndị nke nwetara enweta ịghọtara gị ebe hala ga agụ ị nwere ike nọ 10 minutes gụchaa ya ọ dị ka otu a Baịbụl dị ịbịa o nwere ike ihe agha mere years ịbịa ala ugbe ga-ewere 2 minutes rachapụ ya go chapter 1 chapter 2 chapter 3 ga-efinish ya but in that process ọ wụbụgo otu ọ dị but ọ na-abịara abịa mee sọmarị ya dị otu ahụ ije nwere onwe a na-adị izi and o nwere some certain things anyị na-adị eche na-adịchaghị mma ihe ahụ awụrụ gịnị ọ dịka otu a our PM bidoro ya maka our leader nọ na dungeon na o nwere some certain things o mere ma ndị busoro ya o nwere some certain things o chenjiri ọwụ mos because m ji from ihe a onye a nọ na o nwere vidio Ugo 247 tire gbasara our madam.
My brother.
So yeah,
hold on. Sorry to cut you off. You see, changing something or not changing, you guys are making it look like it's a problem, like it's a big issue. If Ugo 247 said what he said, this is his personal opinion. And you guys are making it look like it's something that is dramatical, or maybe people need something to argue about. In our what if I argue about? So you can say that government will write teaching changes, yes. In our so
ọwụ ya ka m na-ekwu ị ga-echegodi ma o nwere ihe m na-ekwu ọwụ ebe a gị ma na-aga ka m na-aga ihe m ji na-ekwu ihe ahụ na ọ ya mere some people o nwere ihe m si ihe anyị na-eche so o nwere ihe m ji ya na-abịa o nwere plate 247 tiri that's audio o playiri about a woman na ọ na-eme that's ihe ọ na-akọwa ihe o kweti ya ahụ na our woman esoghị ihe a of our prime minister that's all ha na-akọwa ebe ahụ o ji ti ya. Now the truth is this, our PM nọ n'ime and o nwere surrogate. What of ma ọ dị ka men on the ground, some men on the ground don't want to agree with her, joining her in the struggle. Ụfọdụ claiming that she's woman, they can't follow woman. The truth is this, our leader nọ n'ime, our PM nọ n'ime, na o nwere surrogate. Surrogate ahụ ga-arụ the best ọma o nwere ike ime in order to hold that ground until our PM is out. But ihe m na-aghọta wụ mentality anyị na-enwe ewu na our woman will not, the surrogate will not do anything more, add anything more. That's a na-aghọta ụtọ ahụ onye achide ụtọ a ka ọ ga-adị otili ya apụta. It's a lie. Because these men on the ground now, most of them don't agree with him. Now, as far as we made everything in order for them to work together, onye ọbụla na-ekweghị work with her, ọ ga-abịa chewe onye ahụ, ọ ga-emeri everything possible ihe ọ ga-eji mee ka the struggle move forward. Amami na-aghọta ihe m na-ekwu na. Hello?
Ana m if you I can hear you. I should interrupt. Give man I'm maybe in Agamanesi that I can see that not the go kuno the kuno usually. So I'm listening to you.
So now ụfọdụ na-ewe iwe ma ndị gbara resign na madam emeghị nke a otu ahụ ha nwa chọrọ ka o chiri ime. Ịma mgbe ụfọdụ onye na-awụbeghị leader ya na aside ọ ga na-adị ya ka ọ dị isi maybe na a ga-eme ya n'echiche nke ya ọwụwụ n'echiche
from here, I'm trying my best to avoid it this. If a USB government and then I resign and that resign, if you know, you know. People that follow me here can say that I'm trying my best to avoid it. Since you go to the resign, my video, my models, I have not come out here. To talk about. Excuse me, people will gather to watch. But no, we figure what about that now. Abom the time na nchiku na to kweze kama happy ku and chacha. You got to go. Come on, lapo ku de nke ọbụla phone just keep jump apart more for peace to run. Man boss so if this on high. So biko I'm on me my wagon if I need to about ndị na-ekwu ndị na like ugopụta na-ekwu if you resign and all that. The only thing my work is that now I have thought to go. Either if no we don't mention more on a video was it? Or mention my name. Now more
I hope
on a quick form more maybe on a USB that near put to carry report together they put to through and men call that. So I form the video. Mundu go the money and ego. Okay. Mundu go
recently.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So money and ego. Advice advice. In our advice. Ya no ya no kwalam ya bo advice. Mana among if you go when they even they buy you with that now. No resign. Or board in the matter of if you because and I can go resign. I can see the anger. No been them matter. Okay now why would you resign? And this now born or resign come on. Can the enemy get swift and or resign? I got a USB watch. But that personally, I'm somebody now, man, I'm feeling made and the right. I will not panic. Man, get a panic because I'm not resign. So since we all know that USB with the meeting of market, why are you not panicking about not resign? And the USB government after a bad one up because the message how over their response. Now they could go school themselves and actually could resign somehow. I will not lie. So because more actually, I don't want to talk about issue of because I'm not in the cabinet. My own for the federal that they have to pick 1 or 2 points about it and go my way. So anyhow, like I don't have right to stop on the matter reply here. I don't have the right. Because all in the end here. And then I'm not controlling anybody. Like people have their life to live. So if I can my comment is my duty to reply you. That's a personal issue. So Ugo is not a child. So on my phone is and my own some of us we will not resign. They could there's something you yourself need to understand. Forget about the whole thing again. One now, this person Mboba go so far. Although easy, Madu would theory and Maka Biafra, no one a cabinet. That's number one. So most of us Kuju and have not even tried to get to his level. And Biafra will Biafra son so you yourself also can also replace. Okay, now but that I'm not trying to say that you have right to start attacking anybody or destroying things. So don't get me wrong on that. So it's your device. Just go up and play your role. Like that. Mention both my abayim. Mention my if you know nobody will know. And Imam Mado. Is it Imam Mado? That barrister somebody should remind me the name. Whatever 2013, 2014. Okay, Mazma can broadcast. there's a barrister not be on a phone that time. Not support na Radio Biafra steady.
Okay.
So
so
those people have come and gone. Okay, now what?
Yeah.
Deputy President bo Uchemefo.
Uchemefo.
Na President more than even dinners actually breakfast name. Okay, now what? Imam Mezu. Imam Mezu, thank you.
Okay.
Ndoche not here. You know what, Imam Mezu. So the person all Michigan weapon. Master can able to get on a war. So sometimes all reaction no. Some of us and then I support they may trigger some of this enmity. Oh, Google the video. If you can name a boy can banket. It could get snap way on a phone because that is even all the anger no inside. Melody outside. And you don't need to know. Decide they make a go matter. It's not your business. Let the government also learn how to allow government to reply some of these things. Open to go to Kenya government got to. You don't need to get everybody an easy or will be level can go. Okay, what I got, but I'm some of us.
You are making sense. You are making sense.
That is what I'm trying to let it, because Ima Obi mad
yes.
Some of them actually believe that the more will go, the more aside do go. Nambido those things. Some of them I know those even like people and I'm going to be sad. If I nobody who was new one can come on they work. I know. But I not just made you just come on myself than get my Maleba will begin a gag, I demand so I happen. Oh, my happen, the master. Because if I'm like Unazo, they could be any rule. One thing, but I'm make sure my life that my livelihood they depend on a one individual. Let it come from God. So the Imam want to get a more and come by you care because that's a motor, the match argument. We need to respect as a mutual respect because they know how to go now. But let us cabin our panel now government. Every minor argument chapter. Oh, you yourself maybe you are the one of the problem because you government is for everybody. Whether we go up better they must upon a different land and appreciate the government. If all this is you looking at, but some of us they criticize make a gift. No, also the season observer. And then I report na could like a can call that kind of family writer. The press release everything here and there. What is the name of that guy? Cast on Ghana. That made the press release every now and then. Please, year to year on our to this end. So these are you cannot just put your trust in this kind of faceless people. Many of us in neighbor somehow hypocrite. You can go na Biafra United no really. You know kona abamba na toka abamba na ikuna imele kana ogwa aboni de kushite government on ya therefore you look up to voice gap to and say no comment again. So all of this will guy may only happy pick man na go you know in a observe. Yeah, so we go I don't if men are US government I don't want to upon my duty. People that were outside cool anyhow upon my duty. Yeah, if more day come on didn't more they choose my brother. So Nigeria wire. But if you
but more adekwana me against kwa. Ade me against. Ihe m chọrọ ikwu maka that audio. Audio play dị ebe mụ na-agaji awụdịghị maka ọ because mma otu ọ ga na-adị even another people ga resign kwa. That's the movement. Ilu ma oruru gị onye many people so ana ma dey surprise but ihe m chọrọ ime ka Biafra mata because mgbe ụfọdụ ịma that audio ndị ọzọ na-anụ ya ọ na-ekwu okay the other nọ na-ekwu because of our woman nọ na-ekwu that na mgbe Nnamdi Kanu nọ na dungeon na Simon Ekpa akpalie na o nwere some certain things o mere in order for the struggle to stand. So na ọ wụrụkwa ya nwa onye na-emeghị agree achọghị mebi na-abịa agba ya ụkwụ na ihe ga-eme wu na o mekwe ihe ga-eme ka ọ wụrụ na the struggle standere before Simon Ekpa apụta. So na onye ọbụla ga-eme ihe ga-eme ka the struggle daa ịghọtara na ọ gaghị eme ya allow ịghọtara. So ebe ihe Ugo 247 ya nwa na-akọwakwa n'ebe ahụ wụ na o soghị the template of Simon Ekpa ịghọtara be na ọ gaghị ekwu datin na ọ ga-esonye. So ọ ya wụ ihe m chọrọ ịkọ na because datin ga-edeceive many people. Ọ mere m ji si a leader lee anya nje ga-abịa kwatuo the mandate e nyere ya na ọ ga-emove on add his own knowledge in order for that struggle to stand until the person handle you over. Apụta ebe
ọ bụ na Igbo kwuru because mmadụ esendikwe m the video mana nke bụ na watch ọkwa m ya I won't lie that part. Mana ife dị ọ bụ na ka o kwuru na ọ dara wewe because iche when you na afọ na so
ihe m nọ na-achọ ime for us to understand the Biafras ka datin hapụ idiscourage anya ya mere m ji pus o were leader amanye otu na for instance iwe leader na o nwere ihe nyefere gị n'aka your boss na kama datin ga-emebi n'aka gị ma ọ bụ people achọwa aka datin mebie ị ga-astro were your own knowledge ihe ịma ị ga-eme ga-enwe ike so that
ife ikwukịta na Ugo kwuru na ọ karịghị weight ọ bụ na ọ karịghị weight ị na-ege m ntị ndị opposition like Eggman chief priest of Kevadi so na-akpara the Lion Mohammed of our time ka iji aka gị post aka gị jụọ na Twitter that aka gị jụ Twitter by now ị na-aghọta
mgbe ụfọdụ mebi ha ga ahụ ya ịma ọwụ mọs na ọ ga ha ga ihe ọbụla ọsọ ha mere mgbe ụfọdụ
my brother ha nọ na media ị na-aghọta hafụrụ ya ị na-ege ntị hafụrụ mana ha ma na dati na-ebe na Ugo just misi ya nda bite ọ bụ na Ugo pụta focus on ihe na-ewu ya iwe na cabinet ọ karị ka mma because nke a kịta bụzi nke a na okwu ahụ so mụ ọ bụ okwu dị ka nna be mmanya ọnụ ebe ma mmanya okwu sofa na okwu aka be n'ọnụ Ugo ọ ga-end ọ bụ nkịta that na so na gbara kịta ma bute tomorrow were ya mee program anyị bute onye na akọzi ọfụma ị na-aghọta dị gị yes
so another thing chọrọ ịgwa Biafra wụ maka ihe na-akwụ ụba nwaanyị isi ọcha na okwe maka dati mme na ka ihe na-eme expect ka ha mee ịma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị ekwesịla by now ịghọta nwaanyị isi ọcha
ọ bụ that na gafia so na akpara bụ were kịta mee program na mma oge aka ma ọrụ dị or Eggman were mee program mana okisi were ka ngwa nwaanyị isi ọcha code bụ comedy because why is that also if I don't know why anything of the why is that just for catch
but ịma mgbe ụfọdụ kwa anyị nwa ma otu agụnwa nọ na ndị other few people maka o nwere ndị na-adịkwa ihe ụlọ o kwuru ha sọpọtụ ya ịghọtara na media o nwere ndị na-efoli ya so ọwụ maka
my brother okay for Lucifer Okay, Lucifer. Lucifer no we Lucifer were followers. Lucifer. Okay, Ogosama. Ogosama no. Oh, we followers.
Exactly. Till date now. After all,
Chikao. Ogono. Oh, we followers. Name them under Abuja and fact with the followers. So no matter how bad the mother he get want the followers. In our so no followers about car normal thing. No sand. Please, can you people hear me? Of course, Second son is here with us.
We are hearing you.
So, Gina, my sister, please see if you can refresh your phone, okay? The only thing they got that now, if man you followers doesn't really, you have a stick, you get to measure in the serious. You have it does no, it's not, you can't on contest. Now the problem, Bo, only they follow, all they follow why you search is that there are two different people who they follow why you search. One Bondi Gaffego. In my massacres and mother cross go battle of no return. Now, when the canon at the verge of it cross that boundary. So that those ones okay, we find the to revive them. In our when the if you can't do it, if you like Bolagana life support, they have gone. So why is such a intensive care unit or no? For literally like they go very useless in terms of the reason capability, how you comprehend issue, like how this is what if about that now when they like equal to you and that way every day we give them pam and say oh go no why why na fuku if no one catch we go one who dim mado that guy now no matter if you like we'll have that guy a pope go obu mas n'isi ya what if you get those in our God why is it that join no mate ala equal to it I say my sister thank you so much let us no kita kebia okwa fan if you get na it's a fan so na akpọrọ gị afa onye ga ndị mma ogwugwe secret one nke na mara when nke na why just to friendship chocolate din ya yes na okay na wata so imanda go and actual freedom with your pure mind I'm that do worried this stress stuff because now one on chi na comment na type nonsense you don't need to bother unless man maybe the only thing you can just exercise your mind in nature ka say ahụ n'ebe ngwa gị na ọbụna why is that we go to first name program na ngeche mma am ga ebe na ike dị m wuli ame program for amo but ọbụna ndị go get ọbụka na take go get serious I'm just trying to even categorize everybody level dị n'ụdị nne ga afọ na ibe ịrọ program o wepụrụ m ga-afọ ịrọ ya neche ga asefa amago m na ya gị na ike otu ya nọ na the same classroom no what if I ga-akọta n'ebe na ma ha gị na no discussion nwoke free time I reply you somehow the way at church you got the point when I'm I know what I'm doing ota no keta na ebe keta na igwa m keta that na ugo 247 no mere ka me kọta ama m do obi owe mana nghọta mmadụ dị n'ụdị ugo don't mean anything bad. Ugo is not here to sabotage. You can believe it. Ugo good if you not like not based on maybe out of anger or maybe not to get back at no, but he may not know the damage that thing may cause. That's why that's my own understanding. Some of us may argue it, but no problem. Like everything of Ugo, you can't compare Ugo Keta. Ugo is he resign. Why is he resign? Why is he resign? She signed it from that one. I know that one. I know that one. Some of us need to understand this. If I'm mad, check where I belong. So you have about tomorrow. Okay, now it's expected. It be big at when I go. COS, whether you like it or not. Somebody always look about that now. I think all our brother Oluchiwa God we could that na Eggman they could that na Oko all to God na opota no the PM ga pota no ga join one power all the laughable. You know that because so that thing I want to go with that video Eggman but all the laughable because on our journey gini game ima up go not this is that na no go the right. Normally, normal circumstances, normal life, like without even being biased or trying to promote anybody here. Source of role Eggman will play now. With November, December, January is enough. It is qualifying anything over any group over just even the 18th November. But I'm on the everything in November. I'm much more but if you these 3 months, November, December, January. If an Eggman now get married within these 2, get from September, we'll change the document. There's no way PM gets Manchester if I in or Tom or say that na CS the wrong. CS man, oh yeah, none of them. None of them.
The truth is this for me, Vam, I'm not gonna the struggle for me. Oh, to home Vam, as so you know na the struggle. You're a one in church. Mo kenkere ma kunna bo former minister information minister. Anama hunda as I'm talking to ihe ọbụla m gwara gị woto ndị anama agụ ha as ndị nọ na the struggle to fight. Do you understand? Because of I follow everything. I'm na ahụta ha ihe m na-agwa gị na woto ọ dị for me anama ahụta ha. That is why anama ekwute okwu ha ma ọ wote just kwute okwu ha isi ọcha o ji onye amebụrụ anama ahụta ha rukwa ma echi. Anama ahụta ha si ndị nọ na the struggle agụpụla m ha already after ha kpọlitere oge nkere imecha ihe ndị a niile ebe a ka m nọ kansụl ha n'ọkwa n'elu ya na-atụrụ anyị achị so agụpụla m. That is it.
Anyway, we are gonna end it here. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you.
Thank you. One of these.
Madam Origin, are you there?
Yes, I'm a good listener.
I know.
I'm just here listening to all you guys are saying, but let me just add this to our, just the same thing with our, now I call them gallant men on ground, because that is the only way I can differentiate them from the army, because it is their choice that, they don't want to be, they don't want to be boxed in, that kind of a thing in the army regulations and due to reasons known to them, right? So they don't want to, take orders from Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, though they, may mean well. They may have, want to still work to protect Biafra. So Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, because of past experience, will not jeopardize her freedom for them. So you see all this catch-22, what the people are not understanding is that this is a very dire situation. It's a catch-22 issue. So coming to now, okay, do whatever you like, and I am going to endorse it, is dangerous for Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, our DPM. And these people do not want to take orders from her or allow her know what they are doing. That is an issue also. So I see it that they may want to mean well and at the end of the day, so they should there is always a consequence to every and any decision you make. So what I don't like is how the three groups that have taken ownership of the men on ground now coming to blackmail Dr. Ngozi Orakwe because they want to find faults, find a way to nip her. If anything happens and they start saying, oh, it is these people, it is that people, how will Dr. Ngozi Orakwe, our deputy prime minister, account? Because they are people of the accounts. This is what is happening in that country. They call it Nigeria. Hello, that's what it is. Dark country. Everything is done. Nobody is taking responsibility, and the lives are lost every day. So she doesn't want to be a part of that. So for anybody to want to emotionally blackmail her and say, oh, whatever this person say, whatever that you should forgive, and please also know that we need to protect our mandate, and she's holding our mandates. So it's a catch-22 issue. And that is the same thing with our honorables. Honestly, what people are putting into this struggle, into this freedom is enormous. Whether, especially the well-meaning ones, the ones that are genuine. It's just like these other ones that they are not here to fight. They are here to gain. They are here to gain everything, including gain our emotional pain. In fact, the more they cause confusion, the more they gain, because people are contributing into these three pockets from emotion standpoint of view, and they are getting from it. What are we going to do? So these people are not ready to lose anything. They are the ones in the dirty pig pond. And the well-meaning people that are fighting, like our cabinet, I believe that a lot of them are, blackmail. There is a lot of gossip, a lot of trap setting for them. And let me tell you, what happened to the woman was because there is one thing I used to tell when I used to be in one group. I keep almost singing it every day. I tell them two things they must do if they must survive in that black country until they find salvation, is to know that you should be aware of an institution that has the capacity to manipulate both your strengths and your weaknesses equally to undermine you or to destroy you. And that is what that country has done consistently over the lives of people. And that is what they are using on our honor, all these well-meaning our cabinets. A lot of them are blackmailed. A lot of them are set up. They go and cook up lies and gossip. And it's possible, because Dr. Ngozi Orakwe will really want to protect herself. If somebody come and said, this has happened, she will stay on the side of caution. And if at the end of the day, she misfires, and that misfiring is not, like where it is, I don't know how to put it. So you should not just go all out against her and fight her because, she says something bad to you or she misunderstood your intentions. If she gives any, because I believe, to be honest, I believe in that cabinet. Anybody say, she will fight. If it's me, I'll fire. You don't, please stay straight. Let us channel these boats to safety. Don't send any strange fire, because she will react to it. I'm not saying that she should, but it happens because there's so much going on. There's so much booby traps set here and there. And they should be careful. Everybody, please, just take it like this is a sacrifice. And there is nothing, I am insignificant compared to the whole 80 million people, compared to even the lives I have lost, compared to the children that died of kwashiorkor and I survived, compared to those that it's so much has already been put into this. So I should count myself insignificant. That if somebody comes and insults me, I should be able. And I think that is what Dr. Ngozi is doing. Because all this, honestly, I can't stand all these insults. I don't have that kind of patience. Maybe God
no, but the
has
insult to it, I think you are missing two things together. One is that the insult is mainly outside. I don't think there's insult going on in the cabinet. And
no. I'm not saying no, sorry, not at all. Oh no. What I mean when I talk about the cabinet is that there's gonna be some misfirings. That's the area.
Misfiring, like I don't quite get it.
When I mean by misfiring, for example, somebody can be given suspicion for what they didn't do. It will hurt, to be honest. But if they see it as a misfiring and, calm down and know that it is because of all that is going on, it will be better than when you now take it like, okay, this woman, who does she think she is? I didn't do this, that she has to give me this magnitude of punishment. And just to save that, small face, they now come out.
What you're talking about, like insubordination, right? Like somebody, the people that don't want to or see themselves that why will I take order from her, and that kind of thing. If that is the case, yes, she can also step up and, you understand, and act. But sacking, like any minor issue, sack, like you said, if you are in a position, you can kick out and all that. To me, the situation that the movement is now, or the government is now, you don't need to. You need to apply element of pampering somehow, because we are not paying anybody. I hope you know that. And there's nothing to motivate anybody much as this time. So people that are involved are actually doing what they're doing, is a kind of voluntarily. They just want to help. They want to lend a service and all that. So the issue of suspension is okay to put this in order. I agree. But allowing people to resign and kick out and no problem, we'll move on without you, that's the area that I feel like is not all that okay, in my own opinion. So we don't understand what you mean by misfiring. That is Daniel Osoala. So the issue of seeing people resigning and all that, this is the area that I don't want to go. And I don't think I'm pressured to talk about it now. Do you understand? So let us just ignore. But what we need to understand, all of us here, is that we are not in the cabinet. We don't know what transpired.
Absolutely. I'm just talking from general
outside point of view. Yes. So and the best way to discuss it in detail, you need to hear from both sides. Which I don't think we need it now. So can we just ignore that part and move forward? So thank you so much, man. God bless you for your time. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow. Please, my people, I have to thank you all for joining me. I spent 3 hours, 29 minutes, 28 points, something seconds and all that. So I have to appreciate all of you, those that joined me, those that are on comment section, those that shared, like, and comment. May God bless you. Especially our brothers, that's Pachat, Ezenwa Efi, and this our brother name. Your name is somehow I can't even the Pyro, nickname. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate all of you. Please see you again tomorrow. God bless you. Bye bye for now.